Hey, you bunch of village women. Don't you know that a car can kill? No, maybe their poverty mentality has blocked their brains and is leaving them to look for someone who is going to give them a befitting burial. Absolutely rubbish.
Now you listen, village tramps. Next time you stand on our way, we will be forced to crush you. Nonsense. Nonsense. Let's go, babes. Those women with glasses talking to us anyhow. How? Hi. Hi. Anyway, please let's forget them. Let's continue to the farm. Let's go.
Continue to where?
No,
go to where? Which farm? Go to heaven or hell? The last time you people will see this hoe and cutlass in my hand is today. I will no longer farm. I will go home to think how I will make it. Because surely I am going to make it. And I will make it. I will succeed. Mama, do you people see the level of insult this woman leveled on us today?
It's okay.
What is okay? Let's go. I will make it. Only you people can go to farm. Don't call me again. Don't invite me. Just like that. Finish. I'm no longer farming.
Change your mind now. It's just this.
My mind is changed already. Bye-bye. Oh, let me go home and
leave her and go. Don't worry, she's angry right now. She will later change her mind. She will change her mind and join us. Don't worry. Let's go.
Talking trash.
I am not talking trash. Go and show them love and care that you have never given to them.
You from city come village, in a to the Buja, I be you one collect, yo. As is a fee, I know they are eyes, come to challenge us. I be you one collect you. Now we be the mothers gang. No they fear busy. I be you one collect. Mothers gang. 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 Mothers gang.
Hello, old man. How you doing? I look good, right? Anyway, where are my children?
Who are you and who are your children?
Money is good. Oh well, take a good look at me. I'm steaming hot, right? Steaming hot.
My money is long. My money is larger than this village. Anyways, where are my children?
Nkiruka.
Hey, no. I'm not in Kiruka. My name is Monica. Money. Pass. You see, money talks and bullshit wax. Anyways, where are my children?
You mean the children you abandoned years ago?
Obviously, we're not on the same page. Anyway, give me a second, alright? Oh my goodness. I've got something for you. This is just a little cash. I would like you to buy my children some new clothes, expensive ones and not cheap ones, okay? I'll come back.
Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do have its own punishment to you. Emejala one negia. Emejala one negia. I say be careful what you are doing to others. No dira kwama. Emegia ga digima kanjua. Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do has its own
Mama, what is it? You don't go to the farm again.
Did you utter farm? No, did you just say farm now? Izoku, if not that you are my daughter, I would have used this hoe to weed off your head. Farm now, babu. Farm, come.
What? Mama, I've not seen you this angry before. What happened?
What's the problem? Mama. Leave me alone. Mind your business. Mama. I did not go to farm again. Go and continue and stop talking to me now. Happy Maka now. This minute. Let me concentrate. Let me think how to make this thing on my own now. I need it. The maize bumper.
Anna. Where are you going to with your bag?
Oh, I'm going to the city. To the city, of course, to make money.
Mama, you're going to the city?
So that I can make it and buy motor car.
Mama, you want to go to the city and start suffering, right?
Who told you I will suffer? I will not suffer. Oh?
Mama, if you get to the city now, what will you do? How will you make it?
Nkechi, I will make it now.
I know you will make it, but how? What will you say? What will you do? How will you make it?
That's true.
Mama, you cannot just pack your bag and start going to the city.
That's true. What will I say?
Yeah, now you call Mama.
I need this money fast. Nkechi.
Mama, bring your bag. Let's go.
Come to Come, let's have plan B. Before the boss leave, just help me. What will I sell to make it?
Mama, calm down. You cannot go to the city today. If you get to the city, you'll be stranded. You cannot just pack your bag and start going to the city now.
I will not be stranded. I will go to Blue Bridge, anywhere. As long as I can make it, I will stay anywhere. I will do anything to make it. I just want you to
Mama, calm down. Don't worry, Mama. You will make it, but you cannot go to the city now. You cannot.
But I will still go to city.
You will make it, Mama. Don't worry. You will make it.
I will make it too. Big. I will make it.
Papa. Greetings, Papa. You are here. Just coming back from the farm.
Papa. Papa, why is your face like this? You said you were going to come and join us in the farm and we did not see you. And now you don't want to talk to us. Why are you moody like this now? Eh?
Papa, what is it? Say something.
Your mother was here. What? Mother?
Brother Chi? Brother Chi, come.
Mother.
What is it now? Can't you see that somebody is tired?
Papa said our mother was here.
Mother? Papa, do we have any mother? Oh.
I once told you people a story about how your mother disappeared many years ago.
Oh, Papa, that woman you said abandoned us how many years ago? Is that why you are this moody?
I just don't understand.
Papa, I wish you have listened to me all these years. You would have taken another wife and stopped thinking about somebody that is not thinking about you. Look at how you are disturbing your soul.
But I still love your mother.
Papa, I was trying to slice something so that I will rest. Oh? I have to continue.
Papa, let me go in and go and shower. I'm tired. The stress today.
Papa, I want to go and cook. What do you?
Even a massive.
Mama, when are you going to give me the money for the thing we discussed about?
Which money?
Mama, money for the jam now.
Oh, I almost forgot to. I will give it to you. I will give it to you now, as a matter of fact, yes. But you have to turn around. I don't want you to know where the money is coming from.
Mama should turn.
Oh, Eucharia, close your eyes.
Okay, no problem. My eyes are closed.
Brother, who are we going to marry for Papa now?
That is my problem. Do you know that this is what has been going through my mind? Who will be that woman that will choose for Papa? The thing is giving me sleepless nights.
What about Mama Nkechi now? She's fine and she's a widow.
Hey, do you know that this thought has not crossed my mind since? At least she is good. Is she not the one that has been helping us? At least when she comes, she will not drag land with me and Onye. What is it? Why are you clapping your hands?
What is it?
No way. Mama Nkechi can never be my stepmom.
Why?
That her daughter, she used to flog me well when she was my senior in school.
See, let me tell you, Mercy, you cannot use your personal vendetta to stop another person's progress. You cannot stop Papa's happiness. So. Now let me ask you, if you are in SS3 now, won't you be flogging your juniors?
Pieces.
Oh.
No,
this
not
one.
flog them.
Life is turn by turn. When you get to there, you discover you even flog more than Nkechi. I said, no, we have settled for Mama Nkechi. Period.
No, I will not agree.
You will agree.
Calm down.
You will agree.
Calm down. Mama Nkechi is fine, you know.
Yes, don't you see how she has been treating us? If you need money now, I'll tell you, say, I'm coming, let me go and meet Mama Nkechi. I say, Mama Nkechi, you know my father. Mama Nkechi will not give money. And you will be the one to cook it, and you are saying you will not support Mama Nkechi. Now, we'll go for Mama Nkechi.
Mama Nkechi is fine.
Mama Nkechi, it's been 4 days now since you've not followed us to the family joint farmland. What is really going on?
Exactly. I know I am saying it too. Not tomorrow, somebody will say, we have cheated her.
Anyway, let me make it clear to both of you. Very soon, Mama Nkechi, Mama Nkechi, will become Mama student. And I will make it.
Mama student.
I don't understand. Mama student. You will make it. Exactly. I'm confused. Boy, are you not confused?
I'm confused too.
Okay. Let me neutralize your confusion. Very soon, Nkechi will... I don't even remember the name again, but Nkechi will take exam. And I'm very confident that she will pass. And when she passes this exam, she'll go to the city. Once in the city, she will make it. Then, she will invite me to the city. And when I come to the city, I'll make it too. I won't suffer again. I will make it. Yes. Hey. So, once I make it in the city, you people will start worshiping me, serving me, celebrating me.
Now or when you make it?
From now, this minute. I am Mama student already. So, in other words, yes, you start worshiping. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. The message is clear to you. You know what? Something is clearly wrong with you.
Exactly.
Honestly, something is wrong with you. I don't want to argue with you. Bia, are you still here?
I'm behind you.
I don't know why people find it difficult to understand the aspect of me making it. To celebrate me. Why would you just accept it? That carry hoe and bath everywhere. Come, let me teach you how to make it. You will succeed. You will make it. Look at the way you are carrying bath and hoe up and down. Going to the farm. You don't need to do those things. Come, you make it. I will teach you. You will succeed. Look at you. I have made it. I am still making it. My daughter, next student. I am the original one. The #1 next student. She will be in the city very soon. And once she's there, she will make it. She will invite me. I will make it. Yes.
Jure money. Our money is long. You need to see what I did to that old man. I showed him a newer version of Monica. I battered him with money.
That's right. And you need to see how Ono was looking at me like a slave. Ooh. I humbled him with my long money. My dear, the CWO woman wanted to talk. I stole her money. And you know what? I said, shut up.
I hear you.
Shut up. Money stops. Nonsense.
You should have told her that when money talks, bullshit.
Give me my baby.
I hear you. Oh my God.
The money is
unlimited.
I forgot something. I was supposed to give Mama Obiageli her job money. She said she's going to the market with it this morning. I brought it out. I just forget it on my table. Let me rush and give her. Then I'll meet you at the farm. Biko name. Just hold the basin. Oh, Biko. Let me just hold the cutlass. In case I see any snake on my way, can kill it.
Please hurry up.
I'm coming now. I'll meet you soon. Hey, if you come and go more Obiageli.
I can hear you. Nah, Do you know that your sister has gone to register for her JAMB? And then she will get admission into university. And your mother will be the first woman in this village that her daughter will be a graduate and will make it. You understand? See, before you come back, make sure you make it. Don't come back without making it. That's my message. Hope you're fine. You were supposed to be at the farm.
I changed my mind.
Come and sit down now.
Hey. I changed my mind. Now I have decided to follow you. So that by the time you make it, it will be for both of us.
Now I can see that my perfume has penetrated inside you. You want to smell like I'm smelling. Don't worry, you will make it. Now you are talking like my late husband's brother's wife. Bam. So smell like I smell.
I collect. I tap.
Anyway, before I give you the privilege of making it with me, you have to be my PA.
PA?
Yes.
The one who PA. Which one is PA?
My personal assistant. And that means you'll be sweeping my compound, washing my clothes, cooking for me, and going anywhere I'm going, you'll be following me behind, not with me by the side, also be at the back and follow me everywhere.
Who go there?
Who are there?
A mama.
Meaning what?
You mean that I will follow you up and down, sweep your compound, cook for you, wash for you.
You know why I gave you this privilege? It's because you are my late husband's brother's wife. Oh, so I won't ask you to be my PA. It's for selected few. Is it not how we watch them on TV? You see them, all the personal assistants, working their lives out to help their organ. Now I've given you the privilege and you're saying you. Who is you? You want to make it. You want to make it up, yeah?
I want to make it
simple. I've given you the ticket.
That I should be washing and cleaning for you now.
I'm not forcing you. No, we're not fighting. Since I gave you an offer and it's not okay, but you go. Because before you come here, I was busy putting one and one together. How I'm going to map it out. Because making it is a must. So if it's not okay by you, you go. Yes.
More.
Go Abuzeonye.
Go there. Your people. Your personal assistant.
On where boss they for you? I gave you a simple offer. And you don't want to take it. Is it not for you to go? Go!
I came to look.
I beg, go! You won't get this chance again. You won't have this opportunity again. You think it's just to wash and clean? It's not just washing and clean. You will scrub and wash the plate and follow me everywhere. Okay? Carry my handbag. I just mentioned you and you are complaining. You are not ready to make it. You ready? Simple. You don't want to make it. I want to make it and I must make it. With others that will understand and follow me up. Okay? Go to the farm. That's where you belong. No, what about Alfu? Go! Don't come back here and disturb by making it thinking. No. How to make it? Yes, okay. How? Making it. How to make it? Yes, make it. Don't disturb me because I must make it. Yes. Nonsense.
Thank you. Hey! Mama! You remember that? What is that? I don't know. Maybe because you left this town when you were small, so you don't understand anything in Igbo language again. Mama, hey! Can I come in here? Mama, I've missed you.
Now you're coming. I missed you too, Wambo. No, you're welcome.
Thank you. Ma,
bring your bag.
Da, Yaye for all.
What is Yaye for all?
Okay, let's begin to the house. Mama, okay, anything for walking, you know.
I know, big one. Say something I will understand. I don't even understand what you're saying. Please give me the bag. Let me keep
Mama, but me come myself. I don't okay, that is come by me cake for what to do. That if I want to get it to go
changed.
Yes.
Is that what you're trying to say? That's been long you left this village. So it is certain that everywhere must change. Are you praying for this village to remain in bush?
Akbaniko. Tangata akbaniko. Ana mkpokpo. Nwa. So mkpokpo ko ken kremi. Come by me ke ya tu iba na ke ba na ke da ke.
Bonko. Ekremi. Kenke o fe ekremi nwa. Say something I will understand. You can speak English where? Okay, say it. Soya na beke. Since ya su Igbo. So beke. Speak English.
The compound has changed.
Beautiful. You can even say it better. Hi. You're welcome, my daughter. I heard you cannot even speak Igbo. Not even one. That's why I sent for you to come back. You are back. Thank God you are back to your father's house. You're not going back to Calabar again. You will stay here and get married to an Igbo man.
I don't want to even know you.
No, can since animal in as soon as get a problem with the animal. Now, soon me. Say what I will understand. What's your problem? Are you that used to that language like that? I don't understand.
I'm going to come blame.
You're hungry. How many days is you stay on the road?
What's on about?
2 days. I can even understand Calabar. 2 days with your hands. I understand. You're welcome. I know you must be hungry right now.
Man, take it.
Second time. What did I know you're coming? You didn't tell me you come today.
What a cake for all, Mama. Big it's in Benyon.
And I go, young Gondi. And I'm an Ian so. I don't understand what you are saying. Say what I can understand.
Mama, don't I mean young one, didn't mean. I thought I go because I mean, for one them you know fear. For one I'm dear.
Hey, Nani. I called you back so that you can make it like others. Do exam and make it pass and go to school and make it for me. Look at you. You can't even speak English. You can't even speak Igbo. See, look at you.
Mama, I will make it.
That is what I want to hear. You will make it.
I will make it.
Don't mind Ngozi, your sister that cannot even read or do exam. I know you will do exam. You will read, you will pass it, and you go to school and you will make it for me. That's why I asked you to come back.
About the you can't tell what it is.
You say you can't do it.
Mama, be coming down. Coming down.
So you understand becoming down. Continue with becoming down.
Okay, becoming down.
Thank God you're back and you are back to stay. You're not going back there. I hope you brought all your things.
Yes, Mama. You don't want to fund you.
For how many years? This is all you got. Just these 2 bags.
Expensive clothes. You don't get but you are not
I beg, make I know when you won't bite me. What's that? Stop it!
Mama, you did not miss me. I miss you.
Hey! Calm down.
Hi, old man. Where are my children? I said, where are my children? I'm asking you, I said, where are my children?
This is the money you threw at me. Your children rejected it.
You can keep it. I don't take money back that I've given out. Besides, I'm not going to go into this trap you call a house. Where are my children? Call them out for me.
They are not around.
What do you mean they're not around? Oh, you want to kill them with farm work, right?
I never told you they went to the farm.
Oh, in that case, you are hiding them from me, right? You are hiding them from me, right? Chibuike! Onyema! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Horrible place trying to spoil my shoe! Onyema! Mercy! Chibuike! Onyema! Chibuike! Mercy! Where are my children? I am talking to you. Where did you? Oh my goodness, this is a horrible place. Jesus. Ow. Where are my children?
I told you they are not around. Am I speaking French?
You're going to get it hot from me. You are going to get it hot from me. I'm telling you, old man. You're going to get it hot from me. Let me see my children. Where are my children?
See. If both of you do not have anything to say, you better return back to your home before I pour water on you. I don't want to pour water on you.
Nne, please take it easy. Nne,
Onima, it's okay. Let's just say it. Nne, you know you are very beautiful. Even everybody in the village used to say it. They say you are the most beautiful woman in this village and beyond. Now you know you are like a mother we don't have, and you will continue to be our mother. Please, we want you to marry.
Now you okay?
Hey! So both of you have the guts to come to my husband's house and ask me to marry your father because people want me to marry your father.
No, we are sorry. We are sorry. No, we are sorry if it is provoking you.
It's no problem. There's no problem. There's no problem. I have heard. No problem. Okay. People can return home.
Okay.
Just to marry your father, right?
Yes.
It's okay. Return home. Home. Let me standing here for quite some time. What is it? Ha! Oh man, Nkechi, there's nothing you will not see. Oh. I thought you wouldn't understand.
Hey, brother. What happened?
Hey, let me tell you. When we got there, you needed to see the way my legs were shaking.
It's not only you. Do you know that I thought she would pour us water after she heard what we have to say?
Obviously, she did not pour you water now. So what happened?
She just said that it's okay, we can go.
So they agreed?
Did he tell you that she agreed? She just said okay, which means okay is okay.
There is no difference now. Okay and yes.
What are you disturbing for, safe? Jay, when we're going, why didn't you agree to come with us?
I don't want to meet her daughter that can flog that senior. No.
Do you know that Nkechi was not even at home?
Please, see, it's okay. Let's go, I'm hungry because
the next time if she's not afraid, you tell me so that.
How would we tell you?
How would you know?
Are you crazy? What are you doing? Are you looking for who to kill you? Listen, if you're sent to me, tell them that you didn't see me. Bloody idiots. Nonsense.
I'm saying you walk. There you are. Hey, brother, wait. Hey. It's not that this guy is fine now. I'm just like.
My friend, shut up your mouth. Which guy is fine? If not that you're my sister, I'll have said you're very stupid.
So
what kind of statement is that?
You're not talking about the car knocking you down or killing you. You're talking about the car is fine. If that car kill you, do you think I have money to do your burials? So the car will not kill my beautiful sister. Akwaya?
Oh yeah, now, brother, go and stop.
My friend, keep quiet. I'm coming face front or go. You can't even see where you're going to.
You'll be jumping like Anyanwu. Person cannot walk freely in this village again. People will be using car to be intimidating persons. No wahala. I will buy car.
Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Why are you touching me? Look at you. All you know is, Mama, Mama, Mama. What is Mama? Mama, I want to eat. Mama, I want sweet. Mama, I want chewing gum. Mama, I want this. Mama, I want that. Your mates are out there in the city doing exam to make it in life. All you know is Mama. Mama, buku agite. Don't call me again. No. Don't even come close to me.
It's like Mama is having eye fever.
Nkechi, what is it? Why are you shouting your mother's name like that? Nkechi, why are you shouting your mother's name like that?
Mama, Joyce, for your daughter has made it.
You have made it?
Yes, Mama.
You have made it?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, you didn't tell me. When? How? Where's the money and cash? Cash, I'm sure you must have had more than
Mama,
one
please
cash.
be happy that I passed my jam first.
You passed?
Yes.
You would have gone straight to tell me that you passed your jam instead of telling me that you made it.
Mama, I said the same thing. I made my papers.
Thank God. Thank God that you passed your exams. At least you have gotten first green light to the city.
Yes, Mama.
But your passing is not making it. No problem. I wanted to cook this, but I won't cook this again.
Mama,
because you passed your exam, I'll cook rice.
Okay.
But pack this thing. Let's go to the. I'll cook rice. I'll pack this thing. Hey, first green light to making it.
I don't understand this man. It looks like he's trying to hide my children from me.
Then let us give him one now, so that others will learn.
Yeah. Honestly, we should do so. Does he think you're still the same woman he married years ago?
No. Wow.
Eh?
Okay, what about the kids? Your children?
Yeah.
Because they're no longer kids.
Exactly.
What are they saying about it? Or are they comfortable with poverty?
I've not even seen any of them yet.
My dear friend, this is Africa. In this case, we need to win the heart of the children to your side first.
Exactly.
I believe that if I see my children, I will convince them with money.
Mm-hmm.
Look at Papa. Papa, this one you are seated here alone.
Papa, greetings. And where did you take your younger ones to?
Papa, if you know how we have gone to comb the nook and cranny of this village, looking for a very beautiful woman that will make you a good wife, you will hail us as your children.
You're combing the neighborhood looking for a beautiful wife for me.
Yes, no.
Anyway, your mother was here and she is ready to cause trouble.
Papa, we are here talking about important things now. Stop talking about somebody we don't even know about.
That is true. Let me complete it, Papa. See, after combing the nook and cranny, we finally settled at Ugodia's house. We went to go, Kachasha, Buchasha, we went to clear the grass so that you have a soft landing. Papa, you are a widower. And Mama Nkechi is a widow. So both of you
Stop saying abominable things with your mouth. Your mother is still alive and I'm not a widower.
Papa, Papa, why are you talking like this now? Papa, is okay? You're not even on the same page with us.
Eh? You need to be on the same frequency with me.
Abe, people should leave Papa. He's doing shakara. Let's go inside and eat.
Our frequency should be like this.
When he's ready, he will tell us.
Our frequency. Our frequency is not everything.
Tired.
What is the problem?
I'm just tired. I'm completely tired. Why can't I see my children? Why not? Huh?
All right. So
why can't I see my children?
There's nothing to worry about.
So
I guess we have to hide in the bush.
Hide in the bush?
Close to your husband's house.
Yeah. I think that's a good idea. Yes.
Yes.
Chibike na. The Chibike wine. The fair fine Chibike.
If not that Chibike, no even go there. That Chibike get girlfriend. He get girlfriend.
I'm saying that thanking one. Which one he got a girlfriend? He got a girlfriend. He got a girlfriend. Is he married to the girl? Eh? See, is it Chibike or nobody? It's me and Chibike in this village because me I like Chibike where and nobody will take a Chibike away from me.
See, let me tell you something. If not that Chibike, he get plenty responsibility. Your mother brought you from that Calabar village to this place to come and learn how to speak Igbo. Not come and be to go follow Chibike around.
Dad, what do? See, my mother brought me from Calabar to come back to this village. I like her to worry about it. It's not your own problem. Why will you carry my mother's load and be worrying about her own? Is it Chibike? Chibike is mine in this village. Nobody is going to take a Chibike away from me. And besides, the girlfriend you are even talking about, is he married to the girl? Eh? Out of the girl. Girlfriend.
Is it by force?
It is by force. It is by force. Don't tell me that one. It is by force, not by force. See yourself. You that thought you support me as my friend. Eh? You are here discouraging me from following my heart. Eh? You see, you don't hear that saying. You say, follow your heart. Chibike is my heart, and I must follow Chibike. See, you're not going to me Ma. My mother brought me from Calabar to come here. So, you want to worry on behalf of my mother? I'm not even understanding. I bet wait so
Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do have its own punishment to you. Emejala one negia. Emejala one negia. I say be careful what you are doing to others. Not the rakwama. Emegia ga digma kanjua.
Mama Ngozi, why are you sweeping our compound?
Nkechi, you're back. Don't just worry, don't let this bother you at all. You will not suffer again. I am in charge now. You see this place? I will always keep your compound clean. I am your mother's personal PA. Don't worry yourself.
Mama Ngozi, where is my mother?
Your mother is at the back of the house.
Hey, what kind of suffering is this, eh? Me, I'm tired, though.
Shh, let's be patient.
I'm tired.
Did you see anything?
What's in? I'm tired. I'm tired.
Did you see?
Someone is serving him food. Hi. Are you sure he's not seeing it?
Nkechi.
Mama, you in the back. Mama, why is Mama not sweeping our compound?
Don't you know that very soon we will take it? And everybody wants to associate with the rich.
Mama, you're taking this thing too far. Subjecting Papa's brother's wife into being a maid. That's not fair.
Because don't let that bother you at all, please. Don't let it bother you. Eh? She's only carrying out her duties very well. All the way on her off, Mama. Eh? Before I forget, were you able to get the address?
Yes, Mama, I got the address. I'll be leaving to the city on Monday.
Monday, ka?
Yes, Wednesday is an aptitude test.
Oh, you'll be going to the... Okay, you got the address?
Yes,
And you'll be going to the city on Monday?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Oh, what is aptitude test?
Mama, it's aptitude test, not aptitude test. It's another exam that will grant me admission to my own faculty.
Then you will make it?
Of course, Mama. You will make it.
I know. You will make it and I will make it. The aptitude test.
Yes, Mama.
Will make you make it.
Yes, Mama.
And you will become making it.
Yes, Mama. We will make it.
Aptitude test. City.
Mama.
Make it. My daughter. Number 1. Aptitude test. City. Make it.
Mama, it's
make it.
okay.
I'll make it.
Yes,
you will make it. You go to the city. Later I'll come to the city and I'll make it.
Yes,
I will make
it. Why will I be suffering to see my own children? Eh? Why? This is a trap. We have to be patient. What kind of suffering trap is this? Why can't I just drive there and catch my prey? You know what? If we wait for some time, I don't see my children, I'm going to that compound to give that man war.
Supported. I support you.
You guys should calm down. We are here for a purpose.
This is suffering, honestly.
Hey, Negia.
Oh yeah, really?
Hey.
Pick. Okay, go.
Hey,
pick.
Kamegi. Kokom.
Brother, I'm not making the food. Maybe we should come and eat.
Wait, I want to win on him. I want to tell him that I am older than him in everything. Even
hey!
Have you served Papa?
No, brother.
Go and serve Papa now. Before you finish, we are done playing. Let me win him.
So let me play small.
What do you want to do?
This game well. Let me.
My friend, come on. Go and serve Papa.
Let me play small.
Go and serve Papa food.
I can play the game.
My friend, would you come and go and serve Papa food?
I will not give you people food though.
Come on, show no game now.
Okay. Hold on. Continue. Ha! Tiet. Last card. I'm threatening you. Check up.
Sorry, Papa. I thought I served it.
It's okay.
Have you served your brothers?
Yes,
You don't get me.
You see, my plan is working.
How do you mean?
I saw a young lady serving him food.
Relax,
Calm down.
Relax.
Why are you rushing out? Eh? Calm down. Wait until your two sons comes out. Do you know who she is? She might be your husband's new wife, daughter. Eh? Are you rushing out? Why would he be married when I'm still alive? Do you still care?
Care? Who cares?
So why are you bothered?
Wait.
Have Onyema returned the cassava stem?
Yes, brother.
Okay. I'm thinking of the kind of gift we'll buy for Papa, so that we'll carry it to Mama Nkechi, telling her that the gift is from Papa.
Brother, you have sense, so.
You don't know I have very big sense before. I say like a Papa.
How did you know that women like gifts?
Hey, how do I know? See, that my girlfriend that went to city, the day I bought her a gift was the day her love and likeness was increasing like Mountain Zion where I am. What? Why are you looking at me like that?
We did not even see her. Not even introduce us to herself at telling us.
You don't even know her name.
Please, let us change the topic. The topic on ground is how and which gift are we going to buy and take it to Mama Nkechi on behalf of Papa. Start thinking with this your head now. Start thinking.
I want to change topic.
Won't you people? You start thinking, even if you are a woman, even if you have not grown. Onyema, start thinking. Let us know. That one is not the topic.
Yeah. But which gift did you buy for her?
I don't understand.
Good question. Which gift?
So both of you want to start treating me like Papa. Let me go and meet Papa so that we'll be discussing.
Where are you going?
Yeah, we did not see. Say, bought gifts.
I'm tired. I am completely tired. Why should I be a witness? I am going into that compound right now to take my children. At least I saw a young fella.
You're right.
You know what? Go. Rebecca, go.
I'm so tired.
You think you can hide my children from me forever? Look, I saw a young girl here. Don't even try to lie to us.
Is that how you talk to your husband, woman? That is if you have one.
Hey! Enough of this your pretentious attitude. You old man.
Excuse me?
Go in there and bring those children out.
Hey! What's happening? Is it my father you are calling old man?
This must be your children.
Papa, what is going on here? Why are these women shouting at you?
Good day, children.
This is your mother, Kiruka.
Eh?
Oh, I see it.
Eh?
Yes, good day, children, my children. I am your mother. And I am Monica.
Oh.
Papa, I thought you said our mother left us.
Yes, this is she.
Papa, is that why the voices were raised? We thought something bigger was happening. That's why we rushed out. We have to.
Brother, that's our plan. We should tell Papa.
You are very smart. Hey, Papa, you know that we have been planning on how to get a very beautiful gift to give it to Mama Nkechi on behalf of you. You know we have told you now.
Don't do such thing.
Papa, calm down. Very small thing. You be haja. Papa, we are telling you because we just want to tell you. It's not as if we need your advice. I mean, we're just letting you know. Nothing serious.
Papa, we have concluded.
Is this how you treat the mother you haven't seen for so long?
Please, Madam, M-A-D-A-M.
Hey.
We are on our way to go and get a beautiful gift for our mother to be, our father's wife. You know, so
our new mom.
Our new mother. You know, she has been taking care of us.
See, let's do.
We don't have time. She cannot even stop herself.
Brother, is this car not the fine car that almost killed me?
Oh yeah. Hey, I was saying it. I knew this woman. She was wearing glasses.
Yes,
so you didn't.
I saw that thing inside the car. Come on, break the motor. Break the car. So, break the car.
What are you trying to do?
Yes, it was you. I remember. It was you that almost knocked Mercy down again.
Look at this
Papa, this is the woman that almost knocked Mercy down.
Just imagine, no?
Okay. Really? You have done well.
Nonsense. Please let us go.
Let's go and get.
Clap for yourself. You poisoned my children against me, right? Clap for yourself.
Is that what you think?
Is that what I think?
Yes, I'm asking you.
You're going to see the best of me soon. Let's go.
I have seen 99. I'm not afraid of 100.
You better have a rethink. Have a rethink.
Yes.
Where is the water?
I'm coming, ma.
Hey! So it is true. So it is true.
What is true?
Hey! You're even pouring water for her. As her new maid.
Please watch your tongue. I'm not her maid. Can't get over me.
Then what are you? Get a cable.
I am her PA. Personal assistant.
Yes, that's what you are.
That's what you said.
Personal assistant.
Please pour more water.
Continue fooling yourself. Keep confusing yourself. So this is what you do. No wonder if I call you for us to go to our family farm, you form excuses from left, right, and center. So you can come and start serving your fellow woman. Shame on you. Even if
I'm not her maid. I am her PA. Personal assistant. I'm proud to be her personal assistant.
Just listen to yourself. Enough of this noise making in my house. This is my house, not your house. If you want to make noise, you go out there, not in my own house. Please. Or better still, what am I even doing here? As a successful woman that has made it, I will leave both of you. I don't have time. Making it is my portion.
Maybe I can for anything.
Hold it.
I should hold it.
Yes. Hi. You're a big fool. Not this. I have sense. If she makes it, she will carry me to the city. I will also make it with her. Hi. See, let me tell you. I started taking a cup, bottle of water. Onye ri dey Eli go. Hi. I have made it. Is it not just to sweep the house, wash clothes, clean everywhere?
I'm waiting for you.
I'm coming. What else? Go to your house. If you want, join me. If you like, be there, be fooling yourself. Join me so that we can make it together. I'm going. I want to know. I want you, my boy. How can I say? This woman again.
Is anything wrong with you? Is anything wrong with you? Do you want me to kill you? Come to me.
Enough of this. Enough of this, let me tell you. You tried this the other day and I kept quiet. You think I will tolerate that again this time? I will not tolerate it. Let me tell you, I will not take it.
What?
I will just go and organize my co-wives and we'll come together. Yes.
Eh?
Don't try it again, no. Don't try it again.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you, don't just try it again.
Oh my God. How dare you?
Hey.
Eh? How dare you?
Hello? Hey.
How dare you talk to her like that? How dare you talk to her like that? Do you want to die? Eh?
Stop talking, woman. Stop talking. Stop talking.
Hey.
Our money is too low.
We shut her mouth. Shut her mouth with the money.
We can kill you with
Shut her with the money.
We can kill you with it.
Hey. Hey. Oh. Oh. Who said I will not make it? Anyway, no problem. Three against one, Okuya.
Ladies, let's
Three against one.
Are you still talking? Good.
Nonsense. Nonsense.
Co-wives.
Are you still talking?
Gang.
Nonsense.
Gang. I will make my co-wives come together and we'll form a gang against...
The one.
I said we'll form a gang against you. I know what to do. I know what to do. Yes. You think you can intimidate me? You people cannot intimidate me. Not in this village. You cannot intimidate me at all. Intimidate me where? Hey! Chineke, what is this? Do you think you can do anything? You cannot. I just kept quiet because of this money. I know I will make it. Oh! I will make it in this village. Not in this village, in this country. I will make it. I will make it. I will become it. I must make it. Hey, Mama Ngozi, where are you people? Hey, I've made money. This is my starting point. This is my starting point. I have made money, yo. Am I still sitting down? I've made money. Chineke me. But this woman have money. Eh? Where did they get all this money they're throwing about? Mama. This money. This is my starting point.
Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do have its own punishment to you. Emejala one negia. Emejala one negia. I say be careful what you are doing to others. No, there are one more.
Just try me. I will show you the stuff I made of. I will show you how I do it. This is part one making money.
Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do have its own punishment.
Mama, I thought you said you don't have money.
Yes, I don't have before, but I have now. Plenty that will take you anywhere you want to go.
Are you serious?
Yes. So just go and get ready. You are going to the city tomorrow.
Are you serious?
I'm making it. Making it. I'm making it.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Stage one. I will still make others. Go and prepare yourself. You won't carry bag again, you will carry box. But my money will fill one side.
Mama, no problem. Let me go and get ready.
Mom, I told you use my own box. That my small box, use it. I'm making it. I said it. There's no how I will not make it. Anyway, making is making. It's making. Anyhow, it's making.
General market. Take.
Ha.
General market. Continue. Take now.
Yeah. So you people use trick and left me all alone in the farm. Where is Chibike? I need to speak with all of you.
Papa is not in a good mood.
Yes, Papa. And we too are not in a good mood to talk to you.
Your mother gave me 2 days to speak with all of you to accept her back. Else.
Papa, else what?
I don't know again.
No, else what now? Ha.
See, Masi. I mean, many can for Chibike to talk. But who could you okay? I can forward in Chibike. Many can Chibike to do. Many can my tea. I intend to make up in tongue.
What are you talking about?
Okay. See, Masi. I love Chibike. Where?
Okay, I hear.
I make up idaro. So idaro,
Yes, I'll come later, yeah? They sent me a message. Let me...
Dakanga, wait, Dakanga. What is his favorite meal?
I will come to your house, yeah? I will come, yeah? Don't worry.
I hope I make somebody happy.
Mama,
Good afternoon.
you're welcome. Sit down. What can I offer you?
Nothing. I actually came to thank you for the gifts you sent to me. And I must confess I like them.
You like them?
Yes.
If I may ask, what gift is that?
Why are you acting like you're not the one that sent them to me?
I'm a bit confused.
Confused about the gifts you gave to your children to bring to me.
Oh, that. I mean...
It's like you're shy. Anyway, I came to thank you for the gifts. If you really want us to talk, be bold about it. I am on my way.
These children will not kill me. Eh? Hey, Chibike! Chibike!
I say be careful.
Jesus!
Mercy.
What are you doing here? You scared me.
That is why I'm here. I'm here to scare you so you know that I'm very serious. Get me no going serious. Get me my Yenuka. I mean, I'm the of get me the Chibike. I have told you this. I am in love with your brother. I'm crying come for. So I have come. That is why I'm here.
Okay. I forgot to tell him. I'll tell him later.
You've not told Chibike anything.
I know. I will tell him. I will tell him later.
Don't worry. I'll go and tell him myself. I can't get
No. Don't worry. I will tell him. I will tell him.
Must you believe me? This is something you have been telling me that you will tell him ever since. I You have been playing.
No, your voice. I will tell him.
No, let me tell him by myself so you know that somebody is in love with him. You don't know me?
I will tell him you love him well. I will tell him. Then go. Yeah, I'll be. Don't
so
worry.
Who believe in it?
I will tell him.
You will tell him?
Yes.
I believe you. This is what you are supposed to do ever since.
He go. Yes, I hear.
I can't believe that your children denied and behaved as if they don't know you.
Did you hear them? They called me Madam.
I think this is the orientation given to them by their father and those poor villagers. Low mentality.
By the time I'm through with that man, he will know what I am made of.
Let us give the villagers war.
No, you don't have to. I think you have to win those children to your side first. Because if you don't win them on your side, we'll be back to this God-forsaken environment. That's what we should do.
I think you're right. Yes.
What kind of children are you? Eh? Why are you trying to bring problem for me? Look at you, Chibike. Instead of you to go out here and find your own wife, you are busy parading your brother and sister in the name that you're looking for a wife for an old man like me. Are you okay?
Papa, I'm okay. Papa, you have to calm down. You are not an old man. See, Papa, I'm just waiting for Mercy to finish her secondary school so that I will travel to the city and make it. And when money starts flowing, Papa, I will change your wardrobe. You will start dressing like all this American rapper and be doing yuppie, like that's your wife.
How many times will I tell you that that woman is your mother? Show some respect.
Papa, what I'm saying is, you know Jezrina, that American rapper. But that's how Papa will be dressing. Papa will be doing yuppie, wear face cap and wear glass.
Wear that big spec.
Yes, exactly.
You all will have to listen to me and accept that woman as your mother so that peace can reign in this house.
Brother, let's go to the farm. You know someone should come.
So I'm talking to the wall. What I'm saying is not important, right?
Papa, you know we don't like working under the sun. Even you always complain when the sun comes. You say work before the sun comes. Why you have been working? So the sun is not good for our body. Mercy is right.
What kind of unorthodox children are you? Tell me. In fact, I am not going to the farm with you.
Fine, Papa. You have been working since you gave birth to us. Since I knew you from you have been the one working. Let us work for you. It's even better. You say you are an old man. Stay, Papa. I am capable. I will work everything and we will come back. Mercy, have Onyema finished arranging things?
Wait, let me go and call.
What kind of useless children are these? Diala and Diala.
You're set.
Mama,
I'm ready. One more, let's go.
Mama, don't worry, eh? I'll make you proud.
Pragini. Don't make me proud. I don't want you to make me proud. I'm not talking about pride. I need you to go there and make it. Proud. Eh? Proud what? Make it. Because when you make it, I make it. That's all I want.
Mama, don't worry. I'll make it.
That's my daughter. Good girl. Now I know you know what you are going for. Yes, you are going to make it. When you make it, your mother makes it. Eh? Well, let's go before the boss leaves you. Eh? You go there and make it. You're telling me about making me proud. Are you a proud? People proud everywhere. Make it so that I can make it. Mama. Good girl. Don't forget. Oh? Don't forget to make it. You know, go? Make it. I have to look after the house. Rush, eh? Take Okada. What did I say?
I'll make it.
Good girl. Go. What did I say?
Make it.
Good girl. Go. Rush. What did I say?
Make it.
Make it. Don't make me proud. I don't want you to make me proud. I want you to make it. Just make it for me. Don't make proud. I'm not a prado. You are not a prado. Make it. Succeed. Make it so that I can make it myself. Yeah? Save Johnny. Make it, oh! You brought Prado. People making it. Now making me proud. Which proud? I don't want to be proud. Don't make me proud. Make it.
I want to teach you how to count. Just small one. Otu, abo, ato, ano, ise. Repeat after me now. You don't want to learn this Igbo. Which one is Otu, ise? Is that what I said? Is that what I said? It is hard. See, you have to repeat after me.
Ha, I cannot. Oh, it is very hard.
You better start learning. Oh. Repeat after me. Oh. Otu. I teach you something. Come on, they follow Chibike. You are following me. Why you follow? I'm going to tell your mother that you don't want to learn again. No. Why you don't follow for this village, Abi?
I am following my heart. I am following my heart. Don't tell me that.
Chibike. I teach you anything again.
Chibike, I'm calling you now. Wait now. Why are you behaving like this?
You're following your heart, Abi. Follow your heart. I'm not going to teach you anything again. I'll even tell your mother I don't want to teach you.
Chibike, why are you doing me like this? Why are you behaving like this? I sent you your sister message, make she can't take it, I like you well. I even sent you your friend. No, care where you rock and men come my friend. I was one man now for mommy. Why are you doing me like this, I don't dare for Maramen. For Maramen.
Ntokoro ma giji ma ga a baby, they will kill you in war. Ma is ma knife that they used to go to war. See, you send this person message, you send this person message, you send this person. You are here now. What is the message? Say it with your mouth and stop sending people.
You have a point. Attack Maniko. See, Chibike, the point is, I like you well. Me come my friend to mama see me. But the thing is, I want you to like me back, and I will like you too. And then you will not love me. We will not be loving ourselves. What is it now?
I like you well, but I cannot love you well. It is a good thing you came to me and prophesy your love. See, I have a girlfriend and I don't want to cheat on my girlfriend. So look for somebody that you will love well. As for me, I have a girlfriend and I love my girlfriend. Well. Did you hear that? Manganda ton for me.
Chibike! Hi! I can't take on no, but because I'm professing my love to you, you just walk out on me. What is even wrong with people in this village? You will suffer like somebody finish, and nobody will come and like you back. Why? Is it that I am not beautiful? I will tell you that I like you, and you are saying, "To the rimbo de me, to the rimbo simple na me tom. I want to know kundo ke me ma ite ki mo ma me. Nte ke ma ite ya girlfriend. Nte bia girlfriend ke krenye. I'm bia do. Nami konpo. Nobody cannot like somebody in peace. You hear? I have a girlfriend. Chibike is telling me that he has a girlfriend in this village. Who is the girlfriend? You suffer like somebody. You say my want them in girlfriend. Them behind girlfriend and I take a girlfriend. In fact, this Chibike, you will not have peace in this village till you like me back. Rubbish. You tell it's me then I make you don't want me. What man can mean to do? I'm coming. I'm making you some pambo can make him mad. Because can make I can make my income maybe and come and talk. Hey! I'm not understanding what you're saying. Are we going to run away from this village for you? I can't even hear what is it? What happened? What are you going for? Some man can make my income maybe and I say, hey, I have a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend. Okay, so he told you now you believe. I told you before that he has a girlfriend. But you didn't believe me. So why are you worried? Didn't I say he has a girlfriend? But you want him, Abi. Go and get him and see, me, I'm even tired. I'm going to say your mother to look for someone else that will teach you this thing. Because see me, so I am going because I'm tired. Okay, even you, Zeph, you are working out on me. Chibike have left to me because he said he has a girlfriend. I knew that he's my friend. You are working out on me. No problem. But you see Chibike in this village. Nobody will take a Chibike away from me. It is me and Chibike in this village. Is it a bad thing that came and didn't say me, Mama? This is not the bad thing that I'm following my heart. I am following my heart and Chibike is in my heart. And I mean, Chibike, you don't want me. This one is telling me he has a girlfriend. And this one is working out on me. See who I call my friend. Rubbish people in this village. I don't know why I come back to this village. And the person I
I like now is using me to play caricature. Nonsense. The one that even came from Calabar, she cannot even do anything. Eh?
Mama, good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you? I hope my daughter is coping up. Okay?
Coping. Your daughter does not want to learn. She's busy following Nkiru's son up and down in this village. I'm tired.
Is she okay? Is that why I brought her to this village? I brought that girl to this village so that she can learn how to speak Igbo and then go and do exam and pass for me to make it like others. It's not only Mama Nkechi that will make it. Since Ngozi doesn't want to learn.
Mama,
are you serious?
Mama, me, I'm tired though. I am tired. She don't see.
See, calm down. You're holding my money now.
So because I'm having your money, I should die of stress because of your daughter.
Not that now. Calm down. Don't worry. I will talk to her. Don't worry. Just calm down.
Mama,
I will. I can pay to her. She will listen to me.
Okay, Mama. No problem. I've heard you.
No
talk
problem.
to her.
Don't worry. I'll talk to her.
Okay, Mama.
This is one woman. I brought her to this village to learn how to speak Igbo and go and do exam and pass. This Ngozi doesn't want to do exam and pass so that I can make it in life. Oh, she came here to look for that stupid woman's son. She will come back here. Where do you think you're going to? Come back here, come here. Come close to me, come here. Where are you coming from?
I went to learn how to speak Igbo.
Speak one, let me hear.
Okay, I should speak.
I said speak Igbo.
Why
will you remember? Why will you remember when you are after Chibike Nkiru's son? Why will you remember? Running after a man. Was that why I brought you from Calabar? Was that why I asked you to come back from Calabar? I asked you to come back here so that you can learn how to speak Igbo. Get a better man that will marry you. And then go there and do the exam like others are doing so that I can make it in life. It's not only Mama Nkechi that will make it. Are you hearing me?
Hey, now, Mama. We are saying the same thing. If I marry Chibike now, I will learn how to speak Igbo. Chibike is a better man. Chibike is a good man.
My friend, shut up! Shut up your mouth! If you get me angry, I'll deal with you right now. You think because I've been laughing with you when you're speaking this nonsense? Let me tell you from now onward, any day I hear that nonsense in your mouth, I will slap it into your mouth. Are you okay? What are you saying? Who is Chibike? Where does he park his car?
Shut up
and stop speaking at him! Speak Igbo! If I ever hear that nonsense from your mouth again, I will kill you! What's that guy hearing me at all? Are you hearing me? Do you want me to enter you? Don't speak it again. You will continue speaking Igbo in this house. Am I able to hear any Calabar or whatever in your mouth again? Do you hear that? And make sure you will listen to that girl that is teaching you. She's having my money. I don't have money. But the little I have, I gave it to her.
But Mama, Chibike is a better man now. Okay. Chibike is a good man.
Are you mad? You want to receive from me? You want me to enter you?
No, Mama.
You don't want me to enter you?
No.
You want me to enter you? Don't speak it again. Don't get me angry. I'll kill you. Don't speak it again. Don't speak it again. I'm speaking now. Don't say it again. Are you okay? George, you come back here and meet me. Dimi,
I can avoid your enemy. Eh? See, what is even wrong with you in this village? Eh? I thought you were my friend. Why will you get reported to my mother? Eh? You went and reported me to my mother. Why are you this wicked?
Yes, I want to report you. You don't want to learn. You're following Chibike up and down. Me, I'm tired. I'm tired, so I told her to look for someone else that will teach you. Because me, I am tired. I cannot do
You are a very wicked friend. I used to think that you are my friend in this village. Eh? I used to think you are supposed to support me in this my mission. But you are very, very wicked. Eh? Why will you go and report me to my mother? Eh? So, I did. See, eh? This friendship is over. Don't come to my house. I don't want to see you again with my 2 naked eyes. I don't want to see you again. Don't come close to me. See, any day you see me, just run. Come near me again.
Thank God. It's stress. You just come on straight from my head like this, back down for grand. You don't know what you do for me, oh. You don't know what you do for me. See me, eh? I am happy. See, if you see me, you say, pass your way, I will pass my way. I don't want again. And I don't say, Mama, come up my house.
That are your time, see me. I am talking and you are doing firewood. I am talking and you are doing firewood. You think I am not serious?
You want to beat me?
If you do anyhow, I will beat you.
You want to beat me, Mama?
Yes, I will beat you. And I will cut you into tiny pieces. And I will tell you to fall like they do it in Calabar. Eh? I tell you, don't even do nonsense here. You are a very wicked friend. Why will you guys report me to my mother?
Whoa, that's what you can do. We are going to go and meet Chibike.
Let me see you in my father's house again.
Let me see you. Who is coming?
Eh?
Me.
Nonsense.
This
is I will kill you in this village. You have a wicked heart. I thought you were my friend. I don't know you were jealousing me. And if I take it now, will Chibike even entering your eyes? Eh? See who is talking. Let me see you close to me again. This is what I say.
Hey, be going.
Thank
God, oh. I am happy.
Nonsense.
Finally, I will rest. Chibike. You don't want to say anything.
Wait, you want to enter my house? Friends, the food I asked you to cook, did you cook it? Did you go to Mama Nkechi to collect the money I asked you to collect? How much did you collect? How much did you collect? Why are you telling me Waka? What is? I said how much did you collect? In Igbo?
I don't know.
What is your name? Speak it in Igbo. I don't know. Say it in Igbo.
Okay now. Okay.
What did you just say? I said don't speak that nonsense. Speak it in Igbo. Okay, if that will make you to become deaf and dumb, I am okay. See, let me tell you, do you know what will happen? Tomorrow, you see that money, don't give it to me. You will take it to your teacher. Learn how much that money is. Come back here and speak it in Igbo. Tell me how much it is in Igbo. Here, did you hear me?
Mama, what is all this in this house, eh? It's like you don't want me to come and stay in this your house, eh? Okay, see now. Chibike now doesn't want to me. He say he has a girlfriend. The person I call my friend betray me. Now you that is my mother, you don't want me to stay in this house in peace. I'll just pack my load and drive up. Don't stop.
If I ask you to speak Igbo like that now, you cannot speak it. Come on, talk that nonsense here again. You're shouting at the top of your voice as if you're talking to your girlfriend.
I can't cope with this. Chibike.
Papa.
Onyema.
Papa.
I want you all to forget all that I've been telling you about your mother in the past. It's all lies. She never ran away. I'm aware of where she went.
Brother, I forgot the water you asked me to drink. Let me go and bring.
Hey, that's true. Even the matches to burn this stuff. Let's go. Let's go.
Both of you are right. You can go, eh?
Let's go.
So you children don't want to listen to what I'm saying?
Papa, you just allow them to go now. At least me itself, I want to go and bring the yam I promise the mercy that I will bring so that I will cook. By the time they are back with the matches and the water, I am back too so that we will cook the yam or we will roast the yam. Everybody will eat and we'll be fine, eh? Papa, we are coming. Just walk small, don't walk too much. Do you know, both of you are wiser than I thought.
Nah, we learned from the best.
Have we? But, but brother, do you think Papa was actually saying the truth?
Papa is lying. Papa is trying to defend that wicked woman. See, even if I was small when Mama abandoned us, I can still close my eye and remember how Mama was wicked to Papa. Papa was kneeling down and was begging Mama, please, I love you. I did that. I was small. I was carrying Mercy and Papa was carrying Mercy twin. When Papa was kneeling down to beg, please, my wife, don't leave me. Grandma, Mama's mother, was the one that deceived Mama. Mama was not saying, I leave you in this abject poverty and push Papa. That was when Mercy twin fell and knocked his head on the ground. And since then, the child started sick. Papa had to use every money he had to treat the child. Papa even stopped going to school and they drive Papa out, sack Papa from work. That was how Papa become into farm deep. And now you're telling me, Papa have soft heart for that woman that she says is his wife. Papa is lying, he's trying to defend her.
It's okay.
Which okay? She killed my twin brother.
See, as long as that woman is concerned, we are not welcoming her. In fact, I don't even want to mention, because if I'm saying it, it looks as if I even want to consider. I don't want to even hear that. If Papa wants to let her defend him.
Come on. You won't come back again.
Okay.
Chibuike! Onyema! Mercy! Chibuike! Onyema! Mercy!
Let's go to the farm.
What makes you think he will be there?
What else would he do? Huh? We have no friends. Let's go.
Okay.
Money. 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 And you said I will not make it. I will make it. I will be throwing you money like this. Like this. Like this. And like that. Hey. But if we, the women of this village, should allow these women from the city to take over this village, everything is gone. Everything is gone. Everything is finished. Hey, even if they like, let them carry cartons of money and invade this village.
Hey, you bunch of village women. Don't you know that a car can kill? Now maybe their poverty mentality has blocked their brains and is leaving them to look for someone who is going to give them a befitting burial.
Absolutely.
Rubbish.
Now you listen, village tramps. Next time you stand on our way, we will be forced to crush you. Nonsense. Nonsense. Let's go, babes.
Those women with glasses talking to us anyhow. How? Hi. Hi. Anyway, please let's forget them. Let's continue to the farm. Let's go.
Continue to where? No, go to where? Which farm? Go to heaven or hell? The last time you people will see this hoe and cutlass in my hand is today. I will no longer farm. I will go home to think how I will make it. Because surely I am going to make it. And I will make it. I will succeed.
Mama,
do you people see the level of insult this woman leveled on us today?
It's okay.
What is okay?
Let's go.
I will make it. Only you people can go to farm. Don't call me again. Don't invite me. Just like that. Finish. I'm no longer farming.
Change your mind now. It's just this
my mind is changed already. Cordino, bye-bye. Oh, let me go home and
leave her and go. Don't worry, she's angry right now. She'll later change her mind. She'll change her mind and join us. Don't worry. Let's go.
This woman again.
Is anything wrong with you? Is anything wrong with you? Do you want me to kill you? Get to me.
Enough of this. Enough of this, let me tell you. You tried this the other day and I kept quiet. You think I will tolerate that again this time? I will not tolerate it. Let me tell you, I will not take it.
What?
I will just go and organize my co-wives and we'll come together. Yes.
Eh?
Don't try it again, no. Don't try it again.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you, don't just try it again.
Oh my God. How dare you?
Hey.
Eh? Hey. How dare you?
Hello? Hey.
How dare you talk to her like that? How dare you talk to her like that? Do you want to die? Eh?
Stop talking, woman. Stop talking. Stop talking.
Hey.
Our money is too low. Very
We
low.
shut her mouth. Shut her mouth with the
Our
money.
money. We can kill you with
Shut
it.
her with the money.
We can kill you with it.
Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh! Who said I will not make it? Anyway, no problem. Three
Ladies, let's
against
go.
one, Okuya.
Ladies, let's
Three
go.
against
Are
one.
you still talking? Good.
Nonsense. Nonsense.
Co-wives!
Are you still talking?
Gang! Gang! I will make my co-wives come together and we'll form a gang against...
The one.
I said we'll form a gang against you! I know what to do! I know what to do! Yes! You think you can intimidate me? You people cannot intimidate me! Not in this village! You cannot intimidate me at all! Intimidate me where? Hey! Chineke, what is this? Do you think you can do anything? You cannot. I just kept quiet because of this money. Because I know I will make it. Oh! I will make it in this village. Not in this village, in this country. I will make it, I will make it, I will become it. I must make it. Hey, Mama Ngozi! Where are you people? Hey, I've made money. This is my starting point. This is my starting point. I have made money, yo. Am I still sitting down? I've made money. Chineke, but this woman have money. Eh? Where did they get all this money they're throwing about? Mama. This money. This is my starting point.
Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do have its own punishment to you. Emejala one negia. Emejala one negia. I say be careful what you are doing to others. Not the rakwama.
Just try me. I will show you the stuff I made of. I will show you how I do it. This is part one making money. I will teach them that we own this village. I will teach them. I have my brain. I will think of what next to do. What next to do? Hey! No, we won't allow it. Can you imagine? Nkechi for Waganya. I will make it. Nkechi will make it. My son will make it.
I don't want to talk anything that has to do with that woman. I just remembered how that woman pushed you and Mercy twin that led to his death. Don't bring that woman name close to me again. I'm very bitter now.
I thought we agreed not to disclose this incident to your younger ones.
I'm sorry to betray you, Papa. That agreement has been nullified. I can no longer keep the agreement again.
So you told him?
Yes, Papa. He told us how Mama killed my twin.
Your mother did not kill your twin.
Papa, did Mama push you and my twin or not?
Chibike has finished me.
Papa, Chibike did not finish you. Eh? Papa, you only told us the truth. And we are happy we know the truth. Look, Papa, you are the best father we can have. And the best husband that any woman can have.
I don't want you to be my PA again.
Hey, what did I do? Now, because you know now. I want to be your PA. Don't sack me yet now.
Don't do anything. I want to promote you to the next level. That anywhere I am going, I will take you along with me.
Thank you very much.
So I want you to join me in my new quest.
Hey, quest, I don't know it.
No, don't cry. I want us to form a gang that will fight these Obodo Yibo women that came here and are terrorizing everybody.
Exactly.
Yes.
I'm in support of this. But you know you and I alone cannot fight this battle.
I know. That is the reason I am here. So that I will go with you to Mama Obiara's house. Okay. And you will help me to beg her.
No problem.
To join us.
I will do that. Ngozi!
Mama!
Come out here. I don't know whether you sleep in that kitchen. Come out. I'm going out now. I'm going out with Mama Nkechi to Mama Obiara's house. Make sure you finish with that cooking. Hurry up. Do you hear me? I'll soon be back.
Onyema, Papa, I want you to help me and talk to Chibike and Masi to listen to me at least for once so that they can understand what I'm trying to tell them.
Papa, if you want Masi and Chibike to listen to you, especially Chibike, then you have to accept his proposal.
And what proposal is that?
Marrying Mama Nkechi, of course.
I thought you were going to be soft-hearted than the rest. You are even worse. You are stone-hearted. Now, my friend, get away from here.
Papa, I was just... What
kind of children is this? You're going to dictate to me who I will marry. Who does that?
Brother, I didn't betray us.
I know. You didn't betray us.
Brother, I didn't...
Nobi. Nemo.
At least offer me a seat. Offer us seat now.
Offer we seat? I don't understand. Offer you we seat? Tell me one reason why I should offer you a seat. Eh? I thought you said you never step your foot into this compound.
No.
Until you make it.
Calm down. All that was in the past. Right now, she has a better suggestion to give us. Just give the Kobago.
I'm listening now.
Let me sit down.
Let me sit down. I want us to bond in love like we used to be before. Friendship, our love of friendship, doing things like we used to do before this Efulefus came here to Bulugubanya youth, sunshades, harassing us up and down. Why are you laughing?
Hi! Why wouldn't I laugh?
Because this is the first good thing you've ever said since you were married into this family. At least they were the ones that made you to change. They are. This is the time for us to hit them back. Harder, hardest.
Hardest.
No British space at all. See, this people are showing us shaggy. They have shown us. I had that, we don't even come outside again. We are not going to allow it like that. Honestly. So, what name are we going to answer? Baddest mamas.
Baddest.
Are we bad? What are you thinking now? From anything that will have to do with gang something. Gang.
We'll all go home and think about it. Then, come back.
Let's think about it. But remember, gang. Gang.
Mama Nkechi. Eze Ayimo. Hey.
What is it?
See. Hey. I found a name for the gang.
Wow! Hey! 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 What?
As if you know the name already.
Nah,
You're showing it
I'm
in
a
your work.
bugger. I know it will be fine.
What is the name? Just mention it.
Loud it.
My dear. Mother's gang. Mother's gang in the name.
Hey! Mother's gang.
One.
The name is good.
No.
It sounds right.
Ha!
Aqua with you.
Tell. Where is the shoulder? We move.
Hey!
Exactly. We make the movement.
Aqua sideways.
One.
Aqua one side movement. Paga, they will see. That being a village woman does not remove anything from us.
One.
I get go see if we will show them now.
I'm a Satawana.
Sat again.
I
never slang village slang.
Village woman.
Hey, mother gang in the mothers gang in the
gang in the ne.
And me
The difference is declared that day.
Okay, Diego.
People is there. As well, you don't see backside. Don't hear.
I am here. Oh my God. We will show them all.
Yes, now.
We will show them. They will see.
Don't let it out of the bag.
Okay, let's take it easy.
Yes, now.
Slowly.
Yes.
But I like it hot too.
I know, but the walls have ears. That day, I bounced up.
I got Diego. Oh, Jidem. Hold it. Don't release it. Don't release it now. Don't release it. Let's hold on. So the thing just dropped. What were you thinking?
I don't know. From nowhere.
The thing just dropped.
I know me. I know Konu.
Gang.
Mother's gang.
Oh, AKA.
Superior. AKA gang in Dinne.
Oh, finish.
The mamas.
On action.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
I am sawing. I am sawing.
We will start thinking of the next level.
Yes.
Trust me on that.
I believe you.
Yeah?
I believe you. Just, my dear, allowed it. Just like the name dropped, the next level will drop.
Wham!
Bam. And you take it off.
You are even here.
What is before you fall?
What is just after you? Jesus. Hey, if they had told me that Nkiruka was the woman terrorizing this community all this while, I wouldn't have believed it. Hey!
Which Nkiruka are you talking about?
Nkiruka, the same Nkiruka that ran away, left her husband and her children. Papa Ejima, the teacher. Munya.
Wait till Pico Chelugodu. Nkiruka, the one I was giving money when my husband was alive.
Exactly. The same Nkiruka that normally comes here to borrow money from you.
Hey! I can't believe this.
Kadima. Anyway, not to worry. Good thing we are now Mother's gang. We will so deal with her
mercilessly.
Mother's gang.
Yes.
Which one is Mother's gang? I don't understand.
We have formed a gang. Apollo. Mother's gang.
Bam.
Gang in the name.
You
understand? So the problem we're having now is who will lead us? Who will be our leader? Yes. You, of course.
Exactly.
You're the one that suggested we should form a gang.
I just nominated you now. You will go. My madam for that matter.
Indinne kai geso. My Nweje, my nana. Indinne kai geso. Hey! Indinne kai geso. Mo Nweje, mo nana. Ndị nne ka anyị ga-eso. Ndị nne. Ndị gbabro kwụta ka anyị ga-esi na-aga. Ka ezi nke bụ nka. Ọkwa sharp things. Ọkwa sharp swaglicious things. Over swagger.
Over swag. You are boot. Yeah, boot.
Swaglicious things ka anyị ga-eme ebe anụ a. Ka anyị wee teach them, we teach them a lesson. We teach them a lesson.
Anyway, I trust myself.
Okay. So what's the next level? I trust you now. Just as the name dropped, the next level will drop. I trust you.
Drop.
What drop? Yeah. To release. To release.
I call both of you, since you are the man in the house, to let you know that I have accepted your proposal. Huh?
Papa, no! Papa, you see why you say we are the best father in the world? Best Papa.
In fact, you have award, Guinness Book record.
Okay.
Papa.
Okay, but now that I have accepted your proposal,
Yes, Papa.
I hope you people will start listening to me,
Of course, now,
including your sister.
No problem.
Papa, Mercy does not have a say. We will convince Mercy. As long as, Papa, you will complete the next deal.
What next deal?
Papa, by going to Mama Nkechi's house to tell her that you like her by yourself. We have done the primaries for you to do the secondary.
What kind of children are you? Eh? Emeluni,
We are the kind of children that want their father's happiness. Akoya?
Yes, no.
Papa, don't worry. By the time you go to, I'm happy that you have accepted our deal. That is the main thing now. By the time you go to finish work in Mama Nkechi's house, you see that our resemblance is from natural. Like father, like children. By their beards, we shall know them. Mama Nkechi will be very good to us. Papa, let us leave you, so that you think and understand. You know the word to use.
What are we going to do to that man?
I think we should separate him from the children.
All right. I'll make the call.
Am I going to tell this woman now? No. I can't do it. No. I cannot do it. What kind of a thing is this? What am I going to tell this woman now? No. I can't. I can't do it. I still love my wife. I'm still so in love with my wife. Maybe I'll just go there and greet her. These children have driven me into a hole that has no air.
He went to see that his friend concerning that his city movement.
But Dad did not even care if I will miss him.
You safe, calm down. At least he's still around till after your jump. So what's your own problem? Eh? Hey, oh yeah, come, tell me. Afa, did you see Papa?
You need to see how Papa was behaving like a baby, eh?
Eh?
But at the end, he still entered the house now.
He entered? That is the important thing. Well, hold on. Come, let's go so you can cook for Papa. Yeah?
It's you that will cook his mommy.
No, it cannot be me now. You didn't cook, I'll help you. Eh?
Must every car owner in this village drive rough? Will you quiet? Get inside the car, quick! Move it! Come on! Fast! Move it! Fast! Let's move.
The truth is, I would have said no. But because of Nkiruka, I accepted him.
Exactly. Yes. We will have to hold something that belongs to them so that they will come and kneel down and beg us.
Ooh, that's not the issue now. What is paramount on my head right now is how to assemble sunglasses and shoes for us. So that when they are talking to us with their sunglasses on, we will talk back at them with our own sunglasses. And when they raise their shoes speaking to us, man, mother's gang, we will raise our shoes talking back to them. That's what is knocking my head now.
You're very correct.
Good.
I can feel it.
Exactly, that's how I want it. Mother's gang, correct
women.
Hey! I don't know. Are you feeling what I'm feeling? I'm feeling it all in my bones.
Madam, but I don't have sunglasses.
What did I just say?
Okay, you.
That one is not a problem. Don't allow you to intimidate to finish you. That day, God, how why you put your sunglasses? But ma'am, raise your shoulders. Showcase. Get my sunglasses. That is on. Be near. Bam. I move. No. When they speak with their shoes, we raise shoes. Okay. Showcase. Bam. Movement. Hey, we will make it. I know bounce. Bam. Oh yeah, man. Bam. We don't even need to make noise. We will just hit them like thunder.
They won't know. Anything they like, let them see.
We will give it to them back to back.
Sopre.
I saw our own now.
Speak
now. Mother's gang. You know, sir. Gang.
Mama, I don't understand. Why do you need eyeglass and shoes? Not even a woman's shoe. Yeah? A man's shoe for that matter. What are you doing with it? It's okay, Mama. I will get you an MP3 player so you can also be playing a city song. Are you okay with that? No problem, I've heard what you said. Yeah? I will get those things provided. All the things you mentioned, I will get them for you. I hope you're okay. It's okay, no problem. I'm ready.
That city that you are, my mind is not settled. Anytime I remember that you are in a city and there are plenty rich and handsome men in that city, my mind will be doing me pukum, pukum, pukum. But the only reason I don't think otherwise is because of the trust I have in you. And tell me.
Jealousy.
I have to be jealous.
Jealousy. My
See.
jealous boyfriend. But babe, I've dated you for 6 years. You know I can't do anything behind you. I can't cheat on you. Like, you know, you trust me, right? Don't you?
I trust you.
And so why are you still jealous? Why are you like this? You can't change.
If I don't jealous,
You
which means
can't
Chakam,
change.
I'm here. Chibike, since because of this ugly thing, they are looking at me 2 times in this village. I carry my love in basket and bring it to you, Chibike. Eh? And you don't like me. Okay, look at me. No, look at me. Me and this thing here. Who is finer than Chibike? Eh?
see.
What have I done to you?
See, you are distracting us. You are planning on how to move to the. She's in the city. And you came back from, is this city or 404 people? And then people that used to eat dog and you are from everybody. Allow us to have peace. I'm not violent.
I am talking and people are still talking. Eh?
No wonder she backs like a dog.
Oh, I said keep quiet today. You keep quiet today. Abino.
No wonder you bag like a dog because you eat too much of dog.
I think so.
Look at that. Chibike, you are my dream man. When I am eating, I am dreaming of Chibike. When I am sleeping, I am dreaming of Chibike. Even when I'm even bathing, I am dreaming of you. Chibike, why can't you love me? Why can't you love me? You're this white winch. You're this white feel for me, eh? Eh? Thank for them Chibike can be mommy and I can kill me. You don't want to be one of you and kill me. Chibike. Please now, Chibike. Chibike, why are you doing this thing? Eh? You say me look at and I'm saying for the man.
See, give me fege and touch my
enemy.
If give me fege and touch my omanicha, I'll be very violent towards you. Don't try and do anything close to her. See.
Because of this white witch, this unripe papa. Eh? Because of this girl, you people are doing this thing to me in this village. See, I don't even blame people. It's my mother that I blame. That tell me to come back from Calabar and I came back to this village. Everybody just doing anyhow. Eh? No problem. No problem. You see that white witch in this village? Eh? I'm going to treat your fuck up in this village. Since everybody is mad, let all of us mad together. Nonsense!
Nkechi,
Good afternoon.
how are you?
Fine.
So why you are home this early? What happened?
The lecturer that was supposed to take us on the course did not come. Instead of being in school doing nothing, I decided to come back home.
Okay. In that case, I think you help me out on something. You go to the market and get something for my mother. Okay?
No problem. Sure.
Come, let me give you some money.
Okay.
Waka waka.
You don't know I'm planning on becoming a better man in the future. Say I'm calling me waka waka. Is Papa back?
No.
No. Why?
Don't you come also? How you like no?
It's past 6 already now. Is Chibike inside? Okay. Have you eaten?
Yes.
Good years, Jeremy. What is it? She's trying to take my children away from me through my husband. She is the woman that my children want their father to marry.
This is the height of it. I think we need to storm that woman's house and teach her a lesson she will never forget.
That one takes my mind.
Hold on. Let's go.
Go away.
Brother said we should go and check if Papa is still at Mama Nkechi's place.
My children,
Mama?
you people are here.
Yes, ma.
Since you people came looking for me by this time, I hope I'm safe.
Yes.
Everything is okay.
Wow. It's just that we thought our father is here.
Oh, you are looking for your father? He came around midday, around the afternoon, but he has also left. He left since afternoon.
You mean my father is not here?
I told you he came, but he's no longer here. Is there any problem?
No, not at all. It's just that since morning he left the house, we're still in. So decided to come and check if he's
My
here.
children. So because your father is not at home, you will now have to look for him in my house. Don't worry. Just go home and continue with what you are doing. Maybe you went to see one or two people. It's no problem. Now. He's a matured man. When you finish, he will return home.
No problem.
I prepared jollof rice, so I hope. Come inside and take the food.
Don't worry.
Come and eat.
Don't mind that, don't worry. Let us just go. We'll come back.
It's my house, so.
Don't worry now. We'll come back. Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Come back. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't worry about your father. He's okay. Oh?
Let's check Mazi from this house. Huh? Let's check here. It's not even in Mazi Kono's house.
I don't know where he went to.
Could it possibly be now? You search everywhere. Eh?
I'm tired though.
Yeah, come. Let's go. Search everywhere. Okay? See.
Maybe we'll be at home now eating. We are here walking around.
Well, I hope so, Sha. Let's just be at home. So, let's go.
King, you and your boys should excuse us.
Why you shut the door?
You think you can control my children against me?
You are making those children hate you even more with this your uncivilized attitude.
You still have mouth to talk. Huh?
Maybe he thinks that you're still his wife.
Epadomo, an elderly man with grey hair. No, they misbehave. So behave yourself, don't be stubborn.
See, make I clear you. Stubborn flies always go 6 feet below.
Yes. And if you don't comply with us, we'll turn you to a punching bag here and now. Yes. those women can come inside again. Comply. If you refuse to comply, I will kill you and send you to an early grave. I mean Valhalla. That's good English Valhalla. Do I name myself Claire? If they yell,
Mercy.
Papa.
Yes, Papa is back.
Yeah.
No. Papa don't want anybody to disturb him now. He said tomorrow we'll discuss and he will tell us what happened. So what you will do now, just take Mercy inside the house so that she will go and sleep. Go and sleep.
Are you sure?
Yes, go and sleep. Carry her inside. Let me knock the gate. Papa, I hope this wicked woman don't have any hand in Papa's disappearance. Where will Papa be? Yeah. What will make Papa to stay late up to this time?
I have one sentence for you. Are you going to convince my children to accept me or not?
even if I die here today, I'll be happy to know that I was killed by the only woman I loved. Your boys have already threatened to kill me. But I want you to know that it is not in my hands to convince those children to love you or accept you. Go to them, talk to them, beg them. They are your children. I just wish you know what I've been passing through in the hands of those children because of me.
You are still talking trash.
I am not talking trash. Go and show them love and care that you have never given to them.
Let them beat him to hell.
You see, that man might be right. You need to talk to those children.
Hello? Why are you being soft?
I am not. If we practically kill the man and those children do not still accept Monica, then what is the gain?
All right, just call him. Call them not to beat him again.
Chibike, did you sleep here today night?
It's morning already.
Hey,
do you know that I went in search of Papa all through the night?
Wait, what? Papa did not come home last night?
Bring down your voice. Papa did not come back.
I don't understand. But you said he came back.
I lied. I don't want Mercy to start crying so that she will not attract the neighbors. If you see the snails, I was just looking for the snails. And there were plenty there before I could go there. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, how was your night?
Where is Papa? I'm going to his room and he's not around.
Papa went out this early morning. He said the meeting that they were doing, the Umuna meeting, they have not finished the meeting. Have to rush out this early morning so that Papa does not keep late.
Why is my mind telling me not to believe you?
Huh?
Look, you have to believe him, okay? You know Papa now. Papa doesn't go late to places, okay? It's always early, so I'm sure he left pretty early. Right?
Brother.
There's nothing to see. Thank God you're here. Just go inside there, brush your teeth so that you prepare food. Come.
Come on, let's
Do not touch him again, okay? Just give him food and take care of him. Is that right?
No problem.
Okay, let's go.
I'm not sure those things I went to the market to buy is for your mother.
Oh, I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Because obviously those are main things I went to the market to go and get.
I don't know what else you want me to answer you. These are things Mama herself ordered for. And she said she will be using it for their new form meeting. I don't know, for the meeting they newly formed in the village or something, I don't know.
Wait.
What's so funny? Why are you laughing?
Now I understand the whole thing. Did you just say meeting? Okay, wait. It's like your mother has joined my mother in this their new slang of I will make it sound.
And what is that? I don't know. I don't understand.
I'm sure definitely they want to start dressing like those women. I'm sorry, but this is actually...
Nkechi, please allow me to concentrate on what I'm doing.
All and go. Goods arrived.
Yes, so it has.
Particular about my jewelries. Did he buy? Oh, yeah, you selected them.
And your jean.
Look at.
Eh?
Hey, I don't want to hear.
Wait, now hold on.
I don't want to hear anything. I want to feel everything.
Whose own? This is your own.
Hey, your son has it.
Nkechi, take. I think this is yours. Check. That's your size.
This one is fine. This one can size me. The waist, everything will size me.
This one is. This one is my own canvas.
Did he buy it for me?
See your own canvas.
This is my own.
Your own is inside. I'll bring your own now.
Okay.
Even your eyeglass.
This one is my
your own. And this one.
Mother's gang.
We own this village. We own this village. I will give you. It's inside. Hold on. Let me bring it. I was even bringing them out before you came now.
Your canvas is fine.
And your own is
very fine.
You need to see her own. Her own is very yoppy. Yoppy.
I can't wait.
Because let me go and bring her own.
You from city come village, and I to the Buja. I be you one collect, yo.
Oh my God.
This is it.
Yes. The way we dress is beautiful. At least to show them that we are mothers. Hot mothers.
You see why I complained about the other one?
Yes. Man, I like this one.
The other outfit was very uncomfortable. As if we were naked.
Almost naked. But this one.
So
The rain cannot stop our shine. It can't stop our shine, man. We are going to teach them. So we do what? We move. We move. Mother's gang. One way. Mother's gang. One way. Come and show them. All right, let's go. They know we are moving.
You from city come village. Mother's gang. I be you one collect. I be you one collect.
As
it's a fear, no come to challenge us. I be you one collect. I be you one collect. Now we be the mother's gang. No they fear face. I be you one collect. I be you one collect. Mother's gang. 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 Mother's gang.
Brother, please tell me the truth. Is Brother Chibuke saying the truth?
How will I know? Okay? That's what he told me. So that tomorrow now you come and see the one I did not see.
Brother and Papa lied to me. They deceived me from knowing I had a twin. Brother will only hide it. He will always hide it even when he's in pain.
You from city come village. In a to the Buja. I be you one collect. I be you one collect. As it's a fear, no day I come to challenge us. I be you one collect. I be you one collect. Now we be the mother's gang. No day fear face.
What he said? He said this. Latest
Mother's
gang. Latest for Mother's gang. For Mother's gang? Yes.
Mother's gang.
It's all now.
Mother's gang. Mother's gang. Mother's gang. Mother's gang.
Is it? Hey! She told me one side. Once I said, that's what he said. Let me see. You are the owner of this house. Yes, I will over that. There's one my daughter taught me how to dance.
Finish this one first. Hey, Mother's gang. Mother's gang. Mother's gang. We move this down. Mother's gang. Mother's gang. Mother's gang. Iwa lewa o. Mother's gang.
Hello. I brought you all gifts. Hi, my children. Is your elder brother around?
Please, my elder brother is not around. This is not the right time to come and disturb the peace of this compound. Besides, our father has not back home since yesterday.
I said it. I said it, and you and Brother Chi were hiding something from me.
Are you both walking out on me?
How can you be so heartless? Eh? How can you be so inhuman? Thank God you're not our mother. Please take these items out of here. Asa, come now.
You. Why are you acting the way you act? I have never seen a son who loves poverty more than riches. I have never seen it. Eh? Who will not have me as a mother and not be happy and proud? Instead of you to convince your siblings to accept me as their mother, you are busy telling them rubbish. Let me just tell you, whether you like it or not, you all will accept me as your mother. Bam. Understand me?
Oh, yes.
I don't know you to start with. Stop lavishing your money anyhow, unnecessarily. I have these words for you. I'm sure you have family members, brothers or sisters. Go build them a home and act responsible if you are a mother to some persons. If you can excuse me, I am looking for someone very important in my life.
Hey! Hey! That boy just insulted us to our faces.
The boy simply reminded us that we are mothers with homely responsibilities. That's it.
This is not what we planned.
Honestly.
Let's go. I'm no longer comfortable with the whole situation. Let's just go. Let's go.
What? Stop here! Stop it! Look at them! Stop there!
What?
Stop there, madam! Stop there! Hey! You bunch of village poor women! What gives you the right to start blocking the road?
Now listen! Eyeglass gang! These women here are the mothers gang.
Exactly.
Mothers gang!
We own this village!
Mothers gang!
We own this village!
Mothers gang!
We own this village!
Mothers gang!
We own this village! Mothers gang!
We own this village.
Now. What on earth is this madness? What's going on here?
Okay,
do
Where's the Kiruka? I need to teach her a lesson she will need to remember. That shameless woman that ran away from her husband's house and then shamelessly
came back to this village to harass us and disrupt the peace of this village. I need to teach her a lesson. Where is she?
You
Talking nonsense.
Mama Ngozi. Where is she? Shameless girl. I need to teach her a lesson. Give her 36 lashes.
Hey,
give her 36
lashes. Three of you are hungry.
Yeah,
you need money.
Give her money. Which money?
Give them money.
Not just money.
Don't trash on me.
Don't try rubbish.
Don't
try
what?
Who are these
Who
people?
are the money?
What money? Everything.
Stop the careful.
Give your money. Let's go.
If you try, let me tell you.
Nonsense.
Try this nonsense.
You will not like us.
Nonsense. Try it.
I will show both of you what mother's gang are made of. You need to
try nonsense now.
You need to try it again. Ready to teach you a lesson. I need to
try it. Try it.
Nonsense.
They're running away.
I'll bust your tire. I will bust your tire.
Nonsense.
Nonsense. We need it.
We need the money to buy our classes.
Yes.
Pick the money. We need it.
Pick the money.
Madam, I see the money.
Pack it. Bring it.
Pack all of them.
Bring it. Bend down and bring it.
The battle line has been drawn. I will personally tell those women why I am called Juliana, aka Julie Coco.
I think we should release that poor man. The fight is no longer between him and us.
What about my children?
We'll find another way. I mean, didn't you hear your son? You didn't hear what he said? We'll find another fact to get them. It's as simple as that.
When did you become an admonisher?
Oh, that's what I am. Yes, you don't know.
King, you need to release that man now. Yes, you heard me right. You drop him close to his mouth. Okay.
Get down.
Fast! Epa,
no vex. I beg. Now walk when they send us. Now we do it.
You from city come village, in a to the Kuja. I be you one collect. I be you one collect you. As is a fear, no day your eyes, come to challenge us. I be you one collect you. I be you one collect you. Now we be the mothers gang, no they fear face you. I be you one collect.
Papa?
I be you one collect. Mothers gang.
Papa, where have you been?
Mothers gang. Mothers gang.
What's it?
How are you, my children?
We are fine, Papa.
Papa, we are fine.
What about Chibike?
Why is everybody not telling me anything?
Nobody's hiding anything from you. Let us go inside.
No, Papa, you are not going anywhere. Where are you coming from? And where is my brother?
Okay, I'll tell you later. But for now, allow me to go and rest. As you can see, I'm just coming back. Or do you want me to go back?
No, Papa. So you don't want to tell me? You tell me later.
No problem, I'll tell you later.
Well, you can go in and rest, eh?
Yes.
What did you say, Papa?
I'm not telling you anything.
Don't to tell me.
Papa say will tell you later though.
Don't to tell me. I'm not telling anything.
Hey, Papa. Where did you see my mom go? Where have you been?
I was kidnapped by your mother.
Hey, that woman is wicked. And she was here behaving as if she knows nothing.
Keep it low and calm. I don't want your siblings to know about this. And I don't want you to betray me.
But Papa, what have you not done to bring peace between you and this woman? Is it not high time you just let her go and reason with Mama Nkechi? That reminds me. What did Mama Nkechi tell you? Did she accept you?
That's a story for another day.
Ah, Papa, this story must end today. I want to know the end of this story.
So you and I have become friends that will be discussing about their girlfriends.
Yes, now we're not friends before. Is it because you gave birth to me? Papa, we are friends. Tell me.
My friend, will you get inside and let me be?
Oh, you want to show Kuya? What did you call me, my friend? Which means I am your friend. Tell me the story, Papa. You gotta go the story. Ah, Mama Nkechi must accept you and you have to tell me. Mercy and Onyema is itching to hear. I'm waiting, Papa.
What has gotten into Nkiru's head?
So this woman, sorry, she really did this to you, eh?
Please.
Me, I will tell brother.
No.
I will tell brother Chi. What's going on?
Yes, greetings. See, I just want to inform you for information's sake that those women has beaten up your mother.
Those women did what? They beat my mom.
Yes.
Don't worry, I'm coming to that village right now.
To do what?
Hello?
To fight them back.
And what happened to your lectures? You abandoned your lectures to the village just for a fight. Instead of you to think on how to pass your exams, you are thinking on how to fight. Fight! Now, get inside and prepare for your exams. This woman. It's okay. It's alright.
First, it was my father. Now Mama Nkechi. These women have the mind to kidnap my father. I will show them what Chibuike can do, what Nwa teacher can do in this village. Okay, Yadiba.
Monica, sweet baby, please talk to me. Just say anything, okay? You can't be hurting like this. Just talk to me. Oh, my dear. Hello, how did it go?
Oh, fine. At least Anunobi assured me of victory.
That is good news.
Yes, it is. Monica?
My dear, she has been like this. Honestly, she has refused to talk to me.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
Hey, baby. Snap out of this situation. Snap out of this mood.
Monica, just talk to us. Say anything.
What's wrong
Please.
with you? You know we can deal with anything. Let me know. What is it?
Hey! Wait! Sorry! You are the one challenging our madam. Are you not challenging our madam? You don't know your suicide. Come and drink this woman. Drink. Shut up! I said drink. You don't know your mates. You don't know say sugar size. Now you the challenge our madam abi. Come and collect. Sorry. Shut up.
They beat Mama Nkechi. They also beat Mama Obiora. I should be the next target. This is how I'll be hiding. What do I do now so that these people don't beat me? I know what to do. Yes. I will recruit other women. Lie to them that we are together with Mama Nkechi and Mama Obiora. But I will not tell Mama Obiora and Mama Nkechi. So if fight come, they will be at the front. If I see that they are beating them, I will run away. Because before they will get through with them, I must have get to where I'm going to. That's a good idea. That is what I will do.
Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do have its own punishment to you. Emejolo one negia.
Welcome. Obiora, are you serious about what you told me on the phone?
Chibike,
Yes?
I'm not the type of person someone will touch his or her family member and go free. I called you here simply because my mother told me that your mother is among those women.
Are you trying to say his mother kidnapped his own father?
She is not my mother, and that does not deny the fact that she is your mother. Let me tell you, anybody that says that that woman is my mother has turned my enemy, and right now you are my enemy. I'm done here.
She's still your mother.
No, my mother.
She is. Get inside this car.
Hello, Nweje. You're welcome. Alice, thank you for answering my call.
How are they?
We are fine. How is your family?
I'm fine, thank God.
I called you for something important. You know you are the leader of CWO.
Yes.
And I know there's something you can do concerning what I want to tell you now. You know this Mama Obiora, Mama Nkechi and I, we form one gang. Because of this thing Nkiru and her groups are doing in this village, terrorizing us. So we cannot stand and watch these people terrorize us in our own land. You know Nkiru now, the one that left her husband, her children, and ran away to the city.
Yes, I know.
Now came back, feels she has made it to come and insult us and terrorize us in this village. And we say we will not take that. So we form a gang now. So now I want you to join us in the gang.
Mama Ngozi.
You have formed a secret code. I don't have to be part of it too.
You don't even understand. It's not secret code. What's secret code? It's not secret code. What is the name of our gang is Mothers Gang. We are the mothers of this land.
Yes.
So we will not stand and watch other women come into our territory and not conquer us. It doesn't work that way.
Because you have a point. Exactly. Kiruka, her own is just too much.
Yes.
See the way she was just driving her car, backing everywhere. Now she now came at the meeting the other day and said she wants to take over the CWO in this village.
It doesn't work that way. Don't mind.
No, I will not allow her to do that. I will go and convince those women. Trust me.
I know what.
Because then Kiruka, we are now so the Nachi Suari.
I know what you can do. I've recruited you. Yes, so try and recruit others so that we stand strong.
I will do that. Let me be going now.
Okay, greet your family.
Okay, take care.
I will. You will come and serve me where I serve Mama Nkechi. Right now, your guy here and the leader here. I might even do it my own way. Mama Nkechi, they will not know what I'm doing.
Mama Ejime, how you doing now?
I dey fine.
Good afternoon.
My food. How body?
I do.
Yeah. You know who ready now? Mangozi. She said I should come and meet you. We want to form a gang. Yes. Women gang.
Okay.
Yes, now. So that we can be dealing with those women that came from the city that want to oppress us in this village, driving BB cars. Yes. Calling us poto.
Wait, is it not gang that has to do with all those people that kill?
No. See, when we get there, we'll find that nobody will put gun in our neck now to kill us to join. Let just go and hear her, because the way she was sounding on the phone, she said I should come, let all of us gather there. She want to say it in the presence of all of us. It's just a normal gang for us to oppress these women that are coming from the city.
See, I don't want anything that will make me go out of my husband's house.
No, see, it's not...
Okay, no problem now. See, I want to buy something there. I'm coming back within 5 minutes. Then we'll go together.
Are you sure?
Yes, before Uncle. Okay.
What is keeping this woman now? What's keeping Mama Ejima? This woman will go and change her mind. Okay, no, let me call her. Hello? Mama Ejima? What is keeping you now? I'm waiting for you. See, let me tell you, even if it's 1, 2 persons that you see, come with them. Something is cooking on the fire. Let me gist you. Come. You see, this work, you cannot even do it alone. If you bring those 2, I will talk to them, we will recruit them, and they also will go and bring others. You will be doing your own, they will be doing their own. In that way, we will get people. We will get a lot of people. Come, just come with her. Come with anybody you have. Come, I'm waiting. Hurry up. Okay, I'm waiting. Waiting fire. See, come on, you will fetch water. My water is finished. Fetch water and fill all my house for me today.
Papa, I want you to give me the address of the hotel and the name of the hotel those women are lodged.
Chibike, what is it that will make you not to answer or greet your father?
Papa, this is not a matter of answer, greeting or greet you. Papa, I want the name, address of that hotel. I want it now. Papa, give me the address and name of that hotel now.
Bro, what's happening?
What is this? Just shut up. I need an address to that hotel. Just shut up.
Brother has not shut at us before.
Can both of you keep quiet? I need the address of that hotel. Papa should give me the address now. Papa, are you giving me the address or not? In fact, both of you should go inside. Onyema, both of you should go inside. Papa, I just want the address, the name, and the place those women are lodged. This village is owned by everybody, not for some certain group of persons.
Mama sitting and no. Or the Mama is your family. Me for now. It's okay, you're welcome. I'm good. You're welcome. I go on. You have done your own.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You have really tried.
I told you now.
You know, you cannot do this alone now, you know.
There's no way I can do it.
And I called you people here for something important. We will take it up from here. I have already told her, and I know she must have briefed you a little. You know Nkiruka, the one that left her husband and her children and ran to the city. Now she feels she has made it. She came to this village to terrorize us in our own land. So with the women of this land, Mama Obiora, Mama Nkechi and I, we now form a gang. And the name of this gang is Mother's Gang. Our own is Mother's Gang.
I hope they are not going to terrorize us.
We don't terrorize people. We fight against those that fight against us. Nobody is fighting against anybody. But what I want to tell you is the way they do it. If they are coming for fights, you people will stay in front. Fight them. I will balance Gidigba at your back and defend you people. You understand? Okay? I will introduce you people to Mama Nkechi and Mama Obiora. But that will be after 1 week. That I must have trained you people, teach you what we are doing. You understand? We normally do have stuff. So. And secondly, we have uniform. Our uniform is jean trouser, baggy jean trouser, boots. Then we wear our normal mother blouse. Fine chains. We dress, make up like them. We want to look like them. And these things is not from here. It is Obiora that bought them from the city for us. So anybody that joins us have her own to wear. You wear your own, we bounce out. When they see us, they fear us. You understand? So I want you people to join us.
This one your face looks like this. You don't want to join the Mother's Gang?
Don't worry.
I'll get back to you.
Get back to you. Don't get back here. Hey. See, just accept now. See, let me tell you, you will enjoy it. By the time your mates, your fellow women start making it, you start regretting. Then I will not accept you again. I must have gotten enough people. So you better think now and do what you are supposed to do. There's no time to check time. No time to check time. On point.
Mama, how did you see this meeting that we went to?
What is wrong with the meeting? And what Mama Ngozi is saying, there's point in it though. I strongly believe we should join this gang and oppress these city women that are coming to oppress us here. See the other one, she just stood up and say, I want to become the CWO. She wants to take my position because she's driving one car that I don't even know the name. For what? I will not allow her to take my chances in this village. Like it will not happen.
Hey, this one you are shouting like this, doing gra.
Wait, it will not happen.
You are saying it will not happen. What if they come with all their powers? Like
come to us physical?
Yes.
To fight me? Yes. Me, Mama Itima. I will beat them. I will fight her woman to woman. If I come and just swap, I will blow her eyes like this. She will go to the city with one eye like this. Yes.
Okay. What if they now come with all their mancho? And you know all those people, they have their guns. What if they come with their mancho? All those boys that has guns and all these things.
See, we better come. Let's do this thing. You're telling me. Wait, you know they used to come with bodyguard. Those ones that have guns.
Shebi, you are saying you do this, you do that.
Hey, I just thought of it now.
Okay,
see,
you just thought of it.
Let me just think, whether I will join or not. You know, we'll think. I still strongly believe we should join them.
I am not there.
Don't worry. I will think about it.
You better think about it.
Where is that woman that paraded herself to be my mother?
Have you gone nuts? Don't you have respect? So you cannot greet.
Go, let she go.
Hi, son. I'm happy to see you.
And I'm glad to see that you're on my side.
Listen, woman, I don't care whatever you do, how you run your business and how you run your movements. I just want to tell you this. Everything on earth has its own expiring date. And know whatever that you are doing does not last forever. Do whatever you are doing in your name. Stop dragging my father's household name to it.
But I'm part of your father's household. I'm your mother. Anyway, you know what? Just hold on. I'll get the car keys and drop you, okay?
Consider to yourself.
Wait a minute. How did he locate this place? No. This place is not safe anymore. We need to leave this place as soon as possible.
Where's my son? Chibike! Chibike!
Where is that stupid woman that has the guts to send people to beat up my mother? Where is your mother? Where is your mother? Where is that stupid woman that has the mind to send people to beat up my mother? What is it? Why are you shouting? Your wife has the mind to send boys to beat up my mother. And you're asking me what it is as if you don't know.
Hey, please don't call her my father's wife. Oh. She's not my father's wife, God forbid.
Says you.
And she's not my mother.
And she is your mother.
She's not my mother.
But wait, I don't understand. Wait. I thought it was not your mother that he beat, but in Nkechi. Was there any other beating again?
Your mother sent people to beat up my mother. And you all are acting up as if you don't know. Huh? It's okay. There's no problem. By the time I am done with your mother and this family at large, you know why I am called Eucharia.
You can kill her now. She's not our mother. Oh.
Well, shut up. You shut up. What do you know?
Nay, don't worry yourself. I have gone to warn that wicked woman that any day she will do such thing again, I will show her why I'm called Chibike. I will tell her that I have the power of God in me.
So your mother have the mind to do this to me with her gang? No problem. Eh? No problem.
Nay, I have told you to stop calling her my mother. The only mother I have is you. And you will remain my mother. Thank God, remember, you will soon be my father's wife. And that automatically make you my mother. Don't worry yourself, oh?
It's okay, I've heard you.
Sorry, I hope you are taking your medicine.
Yes, I'm taking my medicine, but it's still paining me.
Sorry. Let her try this nonsense again. I will show her the other side of me. I will tell her that I have been in this community and I have men. I have men that have even menses.
See them? Micro semi. Dame say small. Dame bure. Ame bure tutu. See you semi. No, just look at you. Look at you. Jealousy. I thought you were my friend. I did not know you were a jealous friend that want to separate me from the love of my life. Eh? Look at you. No, just look at you. Who's the man? Who's the man? That's an afuro. That's an afuro. Care for a time to sweat to you. Put you fun. Mommy come.
You from city come village, in a to the Guja. I be you one collect, yo. As is a fee, I know they are eyes, come to challenge us. I be you one collect, yo. Now we be the mothers gang, no they fear face, yo. I be you one collect, mothers gang. Mothers gang, mothers gang, mothers gang, mothers gang, mothers gang, mothers gang, mothers gang. You from city come village, in a to the Buja. I be you one collect, I be you one collect yo. As is a fee, I know they are eyes, come to challenge us. I be you one collect yo, I be you one collect yo. Now we be the mothers gang, no they fear face yo. I be you one collect, I be you one collect yo. Mothers gang, mothers gang.
Madam, the madam.
Yeah.
Mothers gang.
Now why are you crying? Who is that?
Mothers gang, mothers gang, mothers gang.
After you, now you.
Yes, so.
Other iron ladies are counterfeit.
Mothers gang! You have done everything.
Yes.
But you didn't sweep this side. And those firewood, you're supposed to remove them. Take them to this side.
Don't worry, we made that.
Oh, who is calling me now? Eh? Who is this? Hello? Yes, I will get back to you. Let me finish teaching them mothers gang how to dance. Teach them how to dance our mothers gang. I'll get back to you. Bye for now. Hey, you hold it. Hold my phone for me.
So, women leader.
Yes. Let me download this thing again so I will have some IQ.
Yes. Okay. Madam, the madam.
Mothers gang. We are on point. We are in charge. Okay? Mothers gang.
We are on point. We are in charge.
Mothers gang.
We are on point.
We are in charge. Now let me teach you Mothers gang song. Mothers gang. Now we dey control. Oyetis ofunaya. Oyetis ofunaya. You know, today I've dressed like this and you're following me. You're learning.
Yes.
By tomorrow, you're coming with one stout and one bottle.
Okay.
One stout,
one bottle water.
One stout,
one bottle water.
Then you will dress like me, like this now.
Okay.
And with your boots. You understand?
Yeah.
Then, now you better learn well, so that you don't fuck up tomorrow.
Okay.
So by tomorrow, our leader will be here, Mama Nkechi and Mama Obiora. You know, it's Mama Obiora's son that is bringing the clothes.
Okay.
Now, let's go. Mothers gang! Now we the ruler. Now we the talker. Oyetis ofunaya. Oyetis ofunaya. Oyetis ofunaya. Mothers gang! Mothers gang! Now we get the star. Now we the ruler. Now we the control. Anything we talk, now it go happen. Oyetis ofunaya. Oyetis ofunaya. Mothers gang! Mothers gang! Now we get the star. Now we the ruler. Now we the control. Now what we talk, now it dey happen. Oyetis ofunaya. Oyetis ofunaya.
As is a fee, I know they are eyes, come to challenge us. I be you one collect you. I be you one collect you.
No, this dog must bite you. The dog must bite you because you are evil. You are a wicked friend. That is why this dog must bite you. So wait, you leave me. You abandon me. Even when my mama said make you teach me, you not teaching me. You leave me, come gang up with this white winch. Where they want collect my TBK from me.
Chibike does not want you. Don't you get it? I don't understand.
Chibike does not like you. Are you Chibike? I like Chibike and Chibike must like me. Is it by force? It's hard.
Why do you always bark like a dog? I don't understand.
You're
so dumb.
No, can I see them? See them? From head to toe, look at yourself. You want to compare yourself with me in this village? Do you know where I came from?
Where you came from?
Well, shut up, Come to me, Waffle. Same way you did. And walking so. This is me and people in this village. Look at you. You are talking and you are talking. You are talking and you are talking. I've been on Miss Road. Chibike will be mine. I must take Chibike. Chibike must like me. Look at you. Don't worry. Any day I catch people in this village, I must deal with all of you in this village.
I thought I'm not enjoying that. I need to use cutlass.
I have 2 cutlasses at the backyard. One long one and the other one is not too long. I use anyone. Who is pursuing you? The way that what is it? Okay. Where are they? Eh?
They are around there. They are around there.
Let me bring my gun.
Wait. Let's go as we are going. I will tell you.
What do you mean by let's go as we are going? You will tell me. Tell me what? Let me bring my gang clothes.
What is gang clothes? What are you doing with gang clothes? I said let's go.
I want to match them gang by gang.
See, gang clothes will not save us this time around.
Please, I admire your Koja. What kind of PA are you?
Okay.
Look at the way you are shaking.
If you are going, I will hide at your back. I'm telling you, let's go. They are
I will match them. What do you mean?
What are you matching?
I will match them.
You think the cloth will save us this time around? Let's go.
Let me bring my gang clothes.
You've not heard?
Heard what?
You are still here selling market. Nkiruka and her gang has beaten up Mama Nkechi. If you see her face and leg, turn upside down.
Upside down?
I have closed my shop and I am going to my house to go and lock myself inside the house. Don't call me, and don't say I did not tell you. Don't call me, because I've warned you and you didn't want to hear. Don't call me. Don't call me.
Go. How manage? How come?
What are you doing here?
Onyema, shut up and sit down. Huh? Listen, if you people don't want to accept her as your mother, I want you to understand the fact that she is still my wife.
Thank God you saved your wife.
I want to apologize to all of you. I'm really sorry. Please, I'm so sorry from the depth of my heart. Listen, it wasn't my fault. I will want to blame my mother, but I want to also take some part of the blame. But you see, my mother pushed me. She said she didn't want me to get married to a poor man. She pushed all my siblings to marry rich men, you know. And because of that, I had to abandon you people and, you know, go look for greener pastures. And that's why I travel abroad with my friends, you know, so that we can make it. But please, I am not complete without you all. I am begging you, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please, I need you back as my family.
But I never treated you bad.
I know, it wasn't your fault. You never did, but it's just that the poverty was just choking me. And my mother was also pushing me. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
But I never treated you bad. We never treated you bad.
I know, I'm sorry. It's just that I didn't want to have anything to do with poverty.
How dare you? How dare you come here?
Just calm down, please. Relax.
Relax what?
We did not come with words.
No, not Puala.
We are here for peace, please.
What peace?
Please, can you calm down?
We want to give you pieces. We don't want peace.
Please, relax. Relax. Can't you see that we are here for peace? Please, just calm yourself. Okay.
Mother's gang! We own this village.
Mother's gang! We own this village. So tell us why you're here.
Yes, you own the village. We accept that you own this village.
Yes.
We are here to apologize for whatever we have done to you. Please forgive.
Please.
We are one.
Yes, of course.
Where's Monica?
We're actually here on her behalf. Please relax. She sent us. So, but we needed a soft landing first.
Yes.
That's why we're here.
Where's your money?
You need money?
You need that's
But
not a
Alana
problem.
Punu.
We will get money. That's not a problem, honestly.
You would have sprayed the money.
My darling, is it a problem?
It's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
You know how to spray
You
money.
know that
Why are you not spraying
with
money now?
we don't have a problem, or do we?
No.
So relax.
You need money? We'll give you money.
Shut up!
Yes, I am shut
We need to think about it.
Mercy. My child, I know you are not happy. I know. But still, you don't have the right to speak to your mother the way you did. Eh? Remember, you are a woman. Someday you will get married and have your own children. And I'm sure you won't want them to disrespect you.
No. I'm not going to abandon my children at tender age. Yeah? So nobody will disrespect me.
I understand. I understand your pains. See, your mother has made mistakes. And now she is ready to amend her ways. Correct the things that she has not made right. So please, you own her this duty to forgive her. Let go. So that she can come in and correct some things and things that she did not make right before. Oh?
No need for me to waste your time. As for me, I forgive her. I don't have anything. I'm okay. But you have to talk to my brother first.
I know. I understand. But as a woman, let the forgiveness start with you. Let the forgiveness start with you. And your brothers can follow after. They can come after you. How are you?
Mama, I'm fine now.
I'm sure you're still eating.
Mama, we are
all of you have grown. Is Chibike around?
No, he went out. Went to see one of his friends.
Okay. I actually came to tell you to please beg Chibike on my behalf to accept your mother back.
That can't happen now. See, my brother does not want to use ear to hear anything about that woman. See, my brother has not slapped me before. He has not slapped me before. The moment I will open my mouth, and talk about that woman, more or less begging on her behalf. Hey, that can't happen.
Onyema,
Ma?
Tell him I said. Tell him I said.
See, anytime my brother remembers what that woman made my father go through.
Stop calling her that woman because she's still your mother no matter what.
We don't know her. We don't know her. Don't worry about. I can't tell him.
Hi. So there's no way I can touch his heart.
Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do have its own punishment. Emejala one negia. Emejala one negia. I say be careful what you are doing to others. No dirapama. Emegia gadegema kanjua. Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do have its own punishment. Emejala one negia. Emejala one negia. I say be careful what you are doing to others. No dirapama. Emegia gadegema kanjua. Nafugo even melon Nagan even melon Nagan even melon Aquama kije love Aquama kije love
Brother, do you like the food?
Like, you are saying like. Like is understatement. I love the food. In fact, this is the most sweetest food you have ever cooked since I know you. That shows that I am bringing you up well.
Yes, brother. Do you need more?
Is there more?
There's many.
Go and bring all of them. I want to eat tea. I will always remember that this is the most sweetest food you have. I don't know what you will do. But wait, your smile is telling me something different. And what you are saying is going different way. Tell me, are you the one that cooked this food? You know you don't know how to lie.
It's our mother that cooked it.
And you allow me to eat it?
But that stop now, come and eat.
It was out of vomit one now.
I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm really sorry.
I don't need your sorry. The only thing you need to do for the last time is to go with Papa, kneel down, and tell Papa to kneel down too so that he will forgive you and beg him.
Thank you for the idea. Huh?
I don't need your thank you. You are causing problem between me and my brother. See, this will be the last I will help you. If this plan does not work, don't come to me again. After all, you suffered to train me. Because of you, I'm betraying my brother.
Papa is lying. Papa is trying to defend that wicked woman. See, even if I was small when Mama abandoned us, I can still close my eye and remember how Mama was wicked to Papa. Papa was kneeling down and was begging Mama, please, I love you. I did that. I was small. I was carrying Mercy and Papa was carrying Mercy twin. When Papa was kneeling down to beg, please, my wife, don't leave me. Grandma, Mama's mother, was the one that deceived Mama. Mama was not saying, I leave you in this abject poverty and push Papa. That was when Mercy twin fell and knocked his head on the ground. And since then, the child started sick. Papa had to use every money he had to treat the child. Papa even stopped going to school and they drive Papa out, sack Papa from work. That was how Papa become into farm deep. And now you're telling me, Papa have soft heart for that woman that she says is his wife. Papa is lying, he's trying to defend her.
It's okay.
Which okay? She killed my twin brother.
What are you doing? Are you looking for who to kill you? Listen, if you're sent to me, Tell them that you didn't see me. Bloody idiots.
Nonsense.
Nonsense.
I'm gonna say you walk. There you are. Hey, brother, wait. Hey. It's not that this guy is fine now. I'm just like.
My friend, shut up your mouth. Which guy is fine? If not that you're my sister, I'll have said you're very stupid.
So
what kind of statement is that?
You're not talking about the car knocking you down or killing you. You're talking about the car is fine. If that car kill you, do you think I have money to do your burials? So the car will not kill my beautiful sister. Akwaya?
Oh yeah, now, brother, go and stop.
My friend, keep quiet. I'm coming face front or go. You cannot. So you can't even see where you're going to.
You'll be jumping like on one wall.
I just remembered how that woman pushed you and Mercy twin that led to his death. Don't bring that woman name close to me again. I'm very bitter now.
I thought we agreed not to disclose this incident to your younger ones.
I'm sorry to betray you, Papa. That agreement has been nullified. I can no longer keep the agreement again.
So you told him?
Yes, Papa. He told us how Mama killed my twin.
Your mother did not kill your twin.
Papa, did Mama push you and my twin or not?
Chibike has finished me.
Papa, Chibike did not finish you. Eh? Papa, you only told us the truth. And we are happy we know the truth. Look, Papa, you are the best father we can have. And the best husband that any woman can have.
Where is Papa? I went to his room and he's not around.
Papa went out this early morning. He said the meeting that they were doing, the Umuna meeting, they have not finished the meeting. Have to rush out this early morning so that Papa does not keep late.
Why is my mind telling me not to believe you?
Huh?
Look, you have to believe him, okay? You know Papa now. Papa doesn't go late to places, okay? It's always early, so I'm sure he left pretty early. Alright?
Brother.
There's nothing. See, thank God you're here. Just go inside there, brush your teeth so that you prepare food.
This is your mother, Kiruka.
Oh, yes. Good day, children. My children. I am your mother. And I am Monica.
Papa, I thought you said our mother left us.
Yes, this is she.
Papa, is that why the voices were raised? We thought something bigger was happening. That's why we rushed out. We have to.
Brother, that's our plan. You should tell Papa.
You are very smart. Papa, do you know that we have been planning on how to get a very beautiful gift to give it to Mama Nkechi on behalf of you? You know we have told you now.
Don't do no such thing.
Papa, calm down. Very small thing. You haja. Papa, we are telling you because we just want to tell you. It's not as if we need your advice. I mean, we're just letting you know. Nothing serious.
Papa, we have concluded.
Is this how you treat the mother you haven't seen for so long?
Please, Madam, M-A-D-A-M.
Hey.
We are on our way to go and get a beautiful gift for our mother to be, our father's wife. You know, so
our new mom.
Our new mother. You know, she has been taking care of us.
See, let's do.
We don't have time. She cannot even stop herself.
Brother, is this car not the fine car that almost killed me?
Oh yeah. Hey, I was saying it. I knew this woman. She was wearing glasses.
Yes, so you didn't. I saw that thing inside the car. Come and break the motor. Break the car. So break the car. Yes, it was you. I remember. It was you that almost knocked Mercy down again.
Look at this children.
Papa, this is the woman that almost knocked Mercy down.
Just imagine, no.
Okay. Really? You have done well.
Nonsense. Please let us go.
You have done
let's go and
fantastic. Clap for yourself. You poisoned my children against me, right? Clap for yourself.
Is that what you think?
Is that what I think?
Yes, I'm asking you.
You're going to see the best of me soon. Let's go.
I have seen 99. I'm not afraid of 100.
You better have a rethink. Have a rethink.
Yes.
Look at Papa. Papa, this one you are seated here alone.
Papa, greetings.
And where did you take your younger ones to?
Papa, if you know how we have gone to comb the nook and cranny of this village, looking for a very beautiful woman that will make you a good wife, you will hail us as your children.
You're combing the neighborhood looking for a beautiful wife for me.
Yes, no.
Anyway, your mother was here and she is ready to cause trouble.
Papa, we are here talking about important things now. Stop talking about somebody we don't even know about.
That is true. Let me complete it, Papa. See, after combing the nook and cranny, we finally settled at Ugodia's house. We went to go, Kachasha, Buchasha, we went to clear the grass so that you have a soft landing. Papa, you are a widower, and Mama Nkechi is a widow. So both of you
Stop saying abominable things with your mouth. Your mother is still alive and I'm not a widower.
Papa, Papa, why are you talking like this now? Papa, is okay? Not even on the same page with us.
You need to be on the same frequency with me.
Abe, people should leave Papa. He's doing shakara. Let's go inside and eat.
Our frequency should be like this.
When he's ready, he will tell us.
Our frequency. Our frequency is not yet booty. Wait, I want to win on him. I want to tell him that I am older than him in everything. Even have you served Papa?
No, brother.
Go and serve Papa now. Before you finish, we are done. Let me win him.
So let me play small.
What do you want to do?
This game well. Let me.
My friend, come on. Go and serve Papa.
Let me play small.
Go and serve Papa food.
I can play the game.
My friend, would you come and go and serve Papa food?
I will not give you people food though.
Come on, sure, no game.
Okay. Hold on. Continue. Ha! Last card. I'm threatening you. Check up.
Brother.
Huh?
Who are we going to marry for Papa now?
That is my problem. Do you know that this is what has been going through my mind? Who will be that woman that will choose for Papa? The thing is giving me sleepless nights.
What about Mama Nkechi now? She's fine and she's a widow.
Hey, do you know that this thought has not crossed my mind since? At least she is good. Is she not the one that has been helping us? At least when she comes, she will not drag land with me and Onion. What is it? Why are you clapping your hand?
What is it?
No way. Mama Nkechi can never be my stepmom.
Why?
That her daughter, she used to flog me well when she was my senior in school.
See, let me tell you, Master, you cannot use your personal vendetta to stop another person's progress. You cannot stop Papa's happiness. So. Now let me ask you, if you are in SS3 now, won't you be flogging your juniors?
Pieces.
Oh,
No, I will not flog them.
Life is turn by turn. When you get to there, you discover you even flog more than Nkechi. I said, no, we have settled to Mama Nkechi. Period.
No, I will not agree.
You will agree.
Calm down.
You will agree.
Calm down. Mama Nkechi is fine, you know.
Yes, don't you see how she has been treating us? If you need money now, I'll tell you, say, I'm coming, let me go and meet Mama Nkechi. I say, Mama Nkechi, my father, Mama Nkechi will not give money. And you will be the one to cook it, and you are saying you will not support Mama Nkechi. Now, we'll go for Mama Nkechi.
Mama Nkechi is fine. So after all the bond we shared, you still had the mind to betray us?
I don't know what happened to me. She came to me crying and begging, so I helped her.
She came to you crying and begging. Didn't Papa and Chibike beg her not to leave us?
Although, I know now. And they even gave a clue on how to beg brother.
What?
Now, help me to beg. Help me now, please.
Please, people should stay together. You have to take care of Mercy. You know you are like the mother Mercy have. You have only Papa. Forget about that woman. Take care of her. When I get to the city, I will make more money for us. And when I come, our life will change. We'll start living a better life that man have always wanted for us. Alright, both of you should stay together. Take care of Mercy. That's all. I'm going.
My son, please don't leave. I want you to forgive your mother.
But I thought you were coming here to tell her to leave our home. I don't like she staying around this house. I'm not comfortable. I can't even stay comfortable in my own father's house again. I'm always out. I just want to go to the city and rest and think of new business to start.
Son, please, forgive her. In fact, let me join hands in begging you to forgive her.
No. Papa, you know I can never say no to you, Papa.
Please, forgive her.
Papa, this woman is telling me to forgive. You know how cruel this woman was to us? You know how we pushed you down while Mercy and her twin was still little. It's because of the cruelty of this woman that made you to lose your work. Turn you into a total farmer. Papa, because of this woman, I lost my scholarship to someone else. So you are telling me to forgive him, but you are betraying me.
It's okay, son. It is not what you think, son. It's okay. I want us to start a new beginning. The type of family I've always dreamt of. Please forgive her.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me, okay? It's okay, son. Okay.
I say be careful what you are doing to others. No, they rock one ma, and make you a dig ma, can you? No, they rock
sorry. Sorry, I scared you.
Me, I'm jealous, so.
Not only jealousy will okay, now you have a mother now. Forget that I'm still your mother and your father. Okay, go to the market, Mama send you, I'm coming.
Jealousy. Come on, go and buy the things I told you to buy.
My Majesty, Commissioner of Message Sender.
And please don't forget the ogiri. You know I need to make that soup that your dad likes so much. Hurry up with it.
Okay, mommy.
Where is my chairman? Where is my my odogu? Come here. Let me give you some sugar. Oh my goodness.
And again. You can't tell me,
I know. You like it, right? Let me show you what I did to you when I had those children.
Is that right?
Come with me.
Come.
Hold me.
Show me.
Hold me tight.
Come, show me, baby.
Come, hold me tight.
Show me.
Hold me. Please, let me please.
You don't do now. You know the tire will fire. Tire with. I stop to be for real. You never tire.
I not tire. You are a bad friend. You leave me and gang up with that white winch to take my chibike away from me.
Okay, I agree. Sorry. See, repent. See, even Mama Chibike don't repent. You see, as Chibike don't go city now, where the relationship no work. Make her teach you how to speak Igbo, so that your friend or any other person fit come. People like you. Stop to the quarrel. Have you know me see?
Not true you talk, This is the thing when you talk, not true. I don't look. Now when my chibike don't go city, leave me for this village. If I can't learn how to speak Igbo, you understand? That's the thing they will go love me. I'll come to find the love. Because now I need to make my mama proud. My mama know they're happy with me.
Get sense.
I get sense. Listen, if you're okay, if you don't understand, me, you understand. So I don't forgive you now.
Where you dey?
Mama sent me errand, so I want to go there. You where you dey go?
Don't worry, I dey go this side. I want to carry something. May we follow go, then I follow you go back on the government.
Make me, I follow you.
Then we go come back together.
You go follow me?
I go follow you now.
I don't miss you.
I
I'm gonna
miss
do
you
like
too.
that next time. You know my friend.
Mother's gang. Everything you do has a repercussion. Everything you do have its own punishment to you. Emejala one negia. Emejala one negia. I say be careful what you are doing to others. Not the rakwama. Emegi aga digma kanjua. repercussion. Everything you do have his own punishment to you. Emejala one negia. Emejala one negia. I say be careful what you are doing to others. No dira kwama. Emegia ga digma kanjua.